May I please, my lords? In the writ application, petitioner challenging Annexure 5, page 20, that
I don't like this kind of submission.
that order
Tell
of
me the
I get-
short
I get
gist of the case.
that the order
Where
of
annexure and
I
all
get
that.
or that is the impugned order, my lord, is that is order of ombudsman, my lord.
Asking what is the issue?
My lord, fact of this case is like this, my lords. Petitioner is the nominee and wife of the policy holder, husband, my lord. The policy holder, my lord, entered into PMJJBY scheme, my lord, Prime Minister, my lord, that is full form is Prime Minister Pradhan Mantri Jivana Jyoti Bima Yojana. Again, which was, my lord, open, my lord, 30/5/2016, my lords. Yearly, my lord, 330 rupees per year, the scheme, my lords. Petitioner husband, my lord, whom my lord opened the scheme, and from his account, yearly, my lord, premium of rupees 330 deducted, my lord. During my lord subsistence after 4 years, but during subsistence of the policy, my lord, husband of the petitioner died, my lord. So therefore, the petitioner, being the wife and nominee, my lord, filed insurance claim before the claim officer that my husband died. So the money of 2 lakhs, which is policy holder, may be given. The reason, my lord, they have claimed that the scheme was for 18 years to 50 years, my lord. Your husband age was above 50 years. That was this mistake was committed by bank officer. They have stated, my lord, that they have mistake committed by because you have not known that you have above 50. So mistake committed by so you were not eligible to get the 2 lakhs. You only ombudsman directed only to return up premium amount which the husband of him was only given, my lord.
What is the policy, the guideline of that scheme?
Guidelines of this, my lord, annexure, my lord, lordships kindly have a glance. That is, my lord, page annexure 2. That is not proper guidelines, but annexure have which have given, my lord, to the bank, to the petitioner, the time of file, my lords.
So the guideline that is
Only they have stated your age is above.
I want to see that guideline.
Guidelines.
Guideline prescribes that or not? Then I will.
So
there must be somewhere the guideline. There, no, this is the period within which this is admissible.
Impugned order, my lord, lordships client have a glance with lordships.
I have seen the impugned order. I want the guideline.
Guidelines, my lord, issue notice से मान guidelines दे देवे because in the mistake committed by the insurance company, they have admitted, my lord. But at the time of a formation of policy, this mistake that your age have been above 50, they have not known to them. Only this grounds they have stated. Annexure 2 also I filed, my lord. They have stated this one.
The petitioner has filed the petition challenging the order dated 21st August 2020, passed by the insurance ombudsman in Odisha. Also, the said ombudsman has not honored the claimed amount which was due to the petitioner after the death of her husband. Is her husband?
Again, husband.
The petitioner being the widow of the deceased the policy holder. Approached the branch manager, United Bank of India, on 35/2016 and inquired about the policy amount due to her, but which is the policy amount of rupees 2 lakh due to her. However, the said amount was denied to her, stating that since the deceased was not within the age group of 15 to 50.
18 to 50.
18 to 50. The deceased cannot be covered under the said scheme. Accordingly, it was accordingly the petitioner's application was rejected.
Okay.
Hence, he is constrained to approach this court. Issue notice to OP number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. No, 3, why 3? 2, only 2.
Two was branch manager, three was insurance
3
ombudsman.
is ombudsman को थोड़ी दिया।
नहीं नहीं
आप फिर
only two.
3, 2, so only 2. By registered post. Just the matter on 21st September.
Again, obliged.
Next.
Item 2,
Item 2.
My lord, the petitioner who was working as a Gram Rojugar Sevak, my lord, GRS, he was disengaged by the annexure 3,
Disengage due to what?
disengaged on the allegation of misappropriation and absence, unauthorized absence.
Yes.
Thereafter, I preferred an appeal, and the appeal has been dismissed in a mechanical manner, just recording the version of the DRDA, PD DRDA, and my appeal has been rejected. ma'am. Lordship, may kindly have a glance, my lord. A so-called notice was issued to me by the annexure 2. In annexure 3, I have.
Give me a copy.
My course of the dialogue filing.
You have been unauthorizedly absent in the office. So that
Only 10 days, my lord. I specifically
Only 10 days, sir.
But-
It is a contractual job. Only 10 days.
contractual, my
It is a
my
contractual
it's a
job.
genuine difficulty, my lord. I had
Difficulty. You have
I
to-
fell down I had suffering. I
Sir,
got
you
an
might be
fracture.
suffering. I'm not saying you not suffer. You may be suffering, but is it not the duty of the petitioner to approach the authority with the application remedy?
They have said that the post facto in
How
information
can
they are
that be
saying.
special? You have to give it to the authority in time.
My lord, I'm residing in a very remote place, my lord, Koraput
How
district.
can,
sir,
how
and
will
it
the
could not-
authority will get to know, sir?
No, later I have communicated it, my lord.
No, letter is not. अब 10 दिन केମିତି ଚାଲିବ ସଂସ୍ଥାଟା? ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ କେମିତି ଚାଲିବ? କାହା ଗୋଟେ ସେମାନେ adjust କରିବେ କେମିତି କରିବେ? ଆପଣ 10 ଦିନ ପରେ ସବୁ ଛୁଟି ଫୁଟି ନେବେ ଆରାମ ସେ ତାର ହଲି ହଲି ଯିବେ। ଆଜ୍ଞା
My lord, I was
ଆମେ
not
ଦେହ
in a
ଖରାପ ଥିଲା,
position.
ଆମେ ଆଇଲୁ ଆମକୁ ଟିକେ ଦୟା କରନ୍ତୁ।
I'm not in a position to move, my lord. I had been
Then
shifted to
who-
Visakhapatnam
then
for
you-
treatment.
There is no such scheme here. The person who is not, he fall ill, but there is a scheme only. You have to approach the authority. The authority will
No, no,
consider
that he
that
could-
the authority you have not approached.
Well, they admitted I have approached, but they said that post fact-
Where have they admitted? Show me.
post facto information.
Post facto ଗୋଟେ ହୁଏ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ 10 ଦିନ ଛୁଟି ନେଇଯିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଆଇଲି ଛୁଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ହୁଏ ଆପଣ ତ ସରକାରୀ ଯୋଉ ପୁରା ଯୋଉ ରେଗୁଲାର ଚାକିରି ଚାକିରି ପଳେଇବ ଏଇଟା ତ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲ
Well, he could have communicated by post, my lord. That mistake has come, but they
that I
admitted
can't
that,
help you sir,
my lord.
that I can't help you. They have rightly disengaged you.
My lord, 10 days absence due to
Sir,
illness.
10 days
That will
are
not be
illness, that is how, what about the 10 days? Who will take care of the 10 days work? Unless you inform them in advance. Post facto କେମିତି हे କରିବେ ଆପଣ? ଆପଣ ଜ୍ୱର ହବ ଗୋଟେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଆପଣ ଡକ୍ଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦଉଛି 10 days ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜ୍ୱର ହେଲା ଡକ୍ଟର ଯାଇପାରିଲେନି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଏତେ ରୋଗୀ ଆସିକି ଫେରି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦଉଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ କିଏ ଯାଇ ହବ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର ମୁଁ କହିବି ଯାଇକି ଦେଇଦେବି what post facto?
Well, sometimes
way.
it's beyond the control to move,
Beyond
my
control,
lord.
it
It
is-
cannot
it
be
is-
person who can unable
Beyond
to
the
got
control
fractured,
of
my lord.
It is beyond my control to condone also. I can't condone it. It's a very serious issue. Can't be condoned. That's all. You are accepting notice? Okay. The petitioner. Yugan Sahaka? Yugan Sahaka?
My lord.
Yugan Sahaka.
କଣ ଚାକିରି କଣ?
GRS मालो ग्राम रोजगार सेवक
or Gram Rojgar Sevak.
GRS
Appointed in which block?
कोरापुट देवघाटी ग्राम पंचायत डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोरापुट
Appointed in Devghati, Gram Panchayat, district, Koraput. He was unauthorizedly absent for about 10 days because of his ill health. And joined after 10 days, giving his application for leave. He has been. Who is some एरिका माइक फेक चले गए बच्चे में बरंडा में माइक वाला को कैसे फोन फोन के उठाता वीडियो लगे देखो चलिए कौन tell them not to do that. Of such leave which was taken unauthorizedly. The DRDA Koraput and BDA Koraput were has accordingly and then terminated from service. Again, by such termination, he has approached this court. Issue notice to member. Okay, number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. List matter on 26th September. Okay, next.
Item 3,
26 September.
26 September. Give me a copy. Next.
may I please your lordship, madam. Item 3, madam. In this case, the petition challenging the advertisement dated 27/7/2023 issued by the CDPO Simulia for engagement of Anganwadi worker in Oda was Anganwadi Center, my lord. My lord, petition is the, kindly see the annexure 1, my lord.
What is the, why
My-
are you challenging?
Challenging the
Why?
advertisement. My lord,
Why?
well, I am the
What is the
Anganwadi,
wrong in the advertisement?
I am the Anganwadi worker of the said Anganwadi Center, my lord. Kindly see the annexure 1, my lord.
So
since
you are existing Anganwadi worker?
Yes, my lord. Since
Yet
two-
they have.
Since 2002, my lord, since
Petitioner
21
challenges
years,
the
my lord.
advertisement number 522 of
Record shows that she remained absent for quite long period. That's why I think she might.
terminated करना है।
ହେଇଥିବ,
No,
first
no,
time
my
I-
lord.
first time
Terminate corner.
first time I-
Mention kar.
Let me issue notice.
Again.
My lord.
So 27/7/2023 issued by the Child Development Project Officer CDP Simulia, opposite Pad number 5, for engagement of Anganwadi worker in
Order was.
Oda Uasa Anganwadi Center under ICDS project Simulia in the district Baleshwar. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that he is continuing as Anganwadi worker in the said Anganwadi center. Yet the authority has gone ahead with advertisement for recruiting new Anganwadi worker. Full stop. Now the concept of the state further submits that since she was not, she remained absent for a considerable period of time, the authority has
A record shows. ତାଙ୍କ-
the authority has taken such step. Considering all the above, issue notice to OP number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give copy. We shall move waves of notice for all the OPs. Hello. This is the matter on 27. Next.
My lord, IE, my lord.
I guess
My lord, engage कर दे my lord.
ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିନି ସେ କଣ ପାଇଁ
2002 ରୁ
ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ
2002
କାମ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବେ you just take from the CDPO କେତେ ତାରିଖ ହେଲା 28 ରେ ବାସ 28
till that my lord.
28 କିଛି ହବନି 28
ସରିବନି
ଏ ତ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କରିଦେବେ କାଲି କରିଦେବେ
till
ନା।
the status quo my lord.
କିଛି କରିବା
କିଛି ହେଇନି
ହେଇନି ମୁଁ
My lord,
ଦେଖିନି
cancel the advertisement my lord.
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ କିଛି କରିବେନି
मतलब मते बर्तमान सुधा टर्मिनेट करना
କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ନା ତ
गाइडलाइन
should
में
be happy.
गाइडलाइन
Should be happy.
since 21 years I am continuing
You let him, nah, I'm there to
till
protect you.
date
why
my
are you
lord,
worried?
till 28 my lord.
Okay. No course action till 28. Next. Next.
What is status quo my lord? No course.
What course action ଆପଣ ହଟେଇବେନି ତ ସେ ତାପରେ ଦେଖାଯିବନି
ସେ ଥିବ ତାର ରହିବ
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ରିଏଲି ଅଛନ୍ତି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
My
ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଟୋମେଟିକଲି ଯିବ ତ नो course action that is also course action. No course action till that day. That kind of order I pass. সেটা আটকে দিবি সেটা আটকে দিবি one post remain vacant এইসব নাই ମୁଁ ଏସବୁ ମୁଁ କରେନି
oblige.
Item number,
ডিসাইড হবো ফাইনালি ডিসাইড হবো
Fine.
শর্ট ডেটটা দিয়ে দিবি ডিসাইড করে দিবি রଖିଥିବି স্টার্টাস
ମାନେ
করে দিয়ে ଦେଇକି ତାପରେ 5 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ଗଡିଥିବ ଏଇଟା
ମୁଁ ବି ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛି
ଫାଇନାଲି
admittedly since
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଇକ୍ୱାଲି ସେଇ ଲୋକ ବି ତ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ଯୋଉ ଆର ଲୋକ ଯୋଉ ଥିବ କି ଯିଏ ପାଇବ ତାର ବି ତ ଡିସଆଡଭାଣ୍ଟେଜ ହଉଛି ନା ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ଜଣଙ୍କର ଆଡଭାଣ୍ଟେଜ ତାର ବି ଡିସଆଡଭାଣ୍ଟେଜ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ସି ବୋଥ ଦ ସାଇଡ୍ ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ଗୋଟେ କି କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଲେ ଆଉ ଲୋକ ବି ଡିସଆଡଭାଣ୍ଟେଜ ହଉଛି ନା ନାହିଁ that's why I do only few days final decide करो जाओ खत्म आइए फाइल करी अटकी करी वर्ष वर्ष लंबे करी सब होगा है ना
oblige my lord. Highly
नेक्स्ट
item number 4, the petitioner had borrowed a loan from the Oriental Bank of Commerce for 8 lakhs rupees. He has already paid 7 lakhs and odd, but I have filed also a.
what loan sir what loan
Minor,
what kind of loan you have taken
house building loan,
house building loan
minor,
in which year you have taken
minor.
in which year you have taken the loan को वर्ष लोन टा नेले
A loan.
हाँ? लोन केबे नेथिले अरे सर बैंक केस करते लोन केबे नेथिले जानिबेनी आपण केते लोन नेथिले जानिबेनी
See, 8 lakhs rupees नहीं था.
8 लाख रुपए ठीक करी कहंतु 8 लाख केते टंका केते पैसा सब कहंतु
8 lakhs rupees he has taken loan and he has already paid 7 lakhs 50,000. But he has filed a OTS application before the authority.
रुहंतु एते काई फास्ट हो जंतु
My lord.
पचास मोर हमर आंसर 7 लाख 50,000 पे करतला 8 लाख लोन केबे नेथिला कहलेनी सब तो कहले केबे से लोन टा नेले कहबेनी केबे नेथिबे अरे सर आपण माने से क्लाइंट
Sorry,
पचार
sorry.
आपण खाता लेखंतनी कि ସେଟା ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ସାଧାରଣ ଜିନିଷ ପିଟିସନ
ଦୁଇ ହଜାର ସାତ।
କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣ କାହିଁ
2000
ଜାଣିବେନି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଜାଣିବେନି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ପିଟିସନ କେସ୍ ସେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବତେଇଲା ସେ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଜାଣିବେନି it is
Sorry.
your duty to know what is the amount when it was taken everything
Minor.
ଆଉ फिर କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
2007.
2007 କୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
8/5, 2007.
ନା ଆଉ 8/5/2007 ତ ଏତେ ଦିନ ହେଲା ତାର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ବଢିବନି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେଲି ଏତେ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଏତେ ଦେଲେ
Minor, I have paid 7,50,000.
ସାର୍ ଦୟା କରିନାହାନ୍ତି 8 ଲକ୍ଷ ନେଇଥିଲେ 7,50,000 ବାକି ପଇସା କିଏ ଦବ
I am ready to pay, my lord.
କେତେ ଅଛି ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ କେତେ
Outstanding. Outstanding ଅଛି 1,35,000.
କେବେ କେବେ ଏଜନ
As on
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିକି
Sorry,
ନେଇ
madam.
ଆସିଲେ ଭେରି ପେଥେଟିକ ସିଚୁଏସନ ଆମ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କେସ୍ କଲା ବେଳେ ସବୁବେଳେ 3-4ଟା ଡେଟ୍ ମନେ ରଖିଥିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଲୋନ ନେଲି କେବେ କେତେ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନେଲି କେତେ ଇଏ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି केबे एनपीए हला ई 4-5 डेट
Sorry, man.
तो आपण केबे एज एंड व्हिच डेट दैट आउटस्टैंडिंग 1 लाख समथिंग यू आर सेइंग एज एंड व्हिच डेट दैट इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन
My lord, my lord.
फिर केबे
My lord, next week as well.
काहे कि नेक्स्ट वीक आसीबो एबे काहे सॉल्व होनी प्रॉब्लम काहे नेक्स्ट वीक आसीबो ए क्लाइंट आउथर भीतर आसीबो जोगी बसिबो काहे कि एबे सॉल्व कला असुविधा अछि
My lord, I have also.
एबे कोन संगे संग को डेट रे से लोन ता आउटस्टैंडिंग से थिला 1 लाख समथिंग यू बोल को डेट रे
Who date thila outstanding ticket, लक्षे 35,000.
लास्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग जो अमाउंट अछि ना को डेट रो
Who date, sir?
आपण क्लाइंट को पचन से जानथिबे गोटो केबे केबे
2015 बागे.
आज्ञा 2015 आउटस्टैंडिंग एर पर 8 वर्ष बीती गलानी आ एतिकी थिबो बढ़बनी ता लोन अमाउंट इधर इंटरेस्ट
My lord, I am ready to pay the amount.
रेडी टू पे द अमाउंट तो जानंतु बस और किसी ने 2015 रे कोन आउटस्टैंडिंग तापर से कोन हेजी तापर सो मेनी थिंग्स माइट हैव हैपेंड एनीवे आई एम इशूइंग नोटिस द पिटिशनर आई एम बैंक केस
Sorry, madam.
एतिकी इंफॉर्मेशन समस्त
My-
रिक्वेस्ट कर एतिकी इंफॉर्मेशन मिनिमम नै के आसन
My lord.
हां सेंती खाली आसी एठी खोजबे एठी दैट्स वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम ओके लगा दी आपण लेखु ना भी ना अनफॉर्चुनेटली लेखती भी बाहर कर नियंती आपण लेखु भी ना
My lord.
से सब गुडा छाड़ी बाकी सब गप लिखिबे
My
ई कोन लिखले एटा कोन लिखले मु कहूची अपोजिट पार्टी बैंक इज लीडिंग पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक एंगेज इन बिजनेस ऑफ बैंकिंग लाइक एक्सेप्टिंग डिपॉजिट कोन दरकार
No,
इज
nothing,
नेसेसरी
nothing.
एते गुडा कोन दरकार की फिर एटा लिखले किंतु दरकार आपण लोन केते नेले केबे नेले लिखले
No,
हां ए सब गप लिखले
sorry, my lord. Sorry.
फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम कले भी से ही करिवे आ सॉरी कहले कोनटा हो नेक्स्ट टाइम भी एटा लिखिबे आपण
My
एटा
lord.
काई जानथि एटा कॉपी अछि पेस्ट कर देबे खाली नाडा बदली जाय अमाउंट बदली जाय टा 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 फीस गला the petitioner applied for a loan 8 lakh which was sanctioned by the opposite party number 1 bank by mortgaging his dwelling house housing loan this is housing loan
My lord.
housing loan पक्का ना पचारो तो एटा भी जाने नांती आपण
Housing loan.
housing loan by mortgaging dwelling house it's relevant to mention that on the there is a pending principal amount of 1,35,000 but the petitioner has not been able to exact outstanding amount due to the bank in such view the matter let notice be issued to the bank which bank SBI?
Oriental Bank of Commerce.
UBI কি আছে
Oriental Bank of Commerce.
ओरिएंटल बैंक अकाउंट फोन माने तो साइलेंट करिले आसंतु सेटिंग करना एटा चेंज करंतु एटा
Yes, my
राइट
lord. Okay.
आपण चेंज करंतु एमपी
Madam.
चेंज कला बनी फाइल करंतु
Yes, yes.
हां हाथ रे सब चेंज कर दउछन हां लैंड का जति लिखि दे एट दिस स्टेज लैंड कांसेप्ट फॉर द पिटिशनर आपण एबे फाइल करछन 23 रे फाइल करछन ता केबे करछन 23 रे करछन तथापि आपण होल्ड करछन और सब बैंक गुडा सब मोर पर થઈଯାଇଛି सब से नवा बैंक का नाम लिखि ना और नोटिस जीवनी से आउ कोडे पहुंचे से नॉट फाउंड एड्रेस आसी 11 the petitioner to file authorized officer Oriental Bank of Commerce bracketed Punjab National Bank लिखि चंदे अपन the same address ता चेंज है नहीं
My lord.
नहीं एड्रेस ता सेम है ना चेंज है छी पीएनबी तो लिखि चंदे अपन जे
Right.
ओरिएंटल बैंक कॉमर्स रो ब्रैकेट रे पीएनबी लिखि चंदी
Again.
ते आ से बैंक ही नहीं तो पीएनबी केंदे लिखा हो ए माने सर पीएनबी लिखिबे पूरा ना
Sorry.
you change the member party by tomorrow day after tomorrow लगा this is matter of day after tomorrow
Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam. Sorry.
नहीं सॉरी कथा नहीं कथा एटा एटा नाल जीवनी मु तो नोटिस इशू कर देबी आमे से जीवनी पर फेरी आसीबो तापर आपण हैरान पापण हेबे सेबे सेडे कोन स्टेप नै सेथिबे urgent matter guda you should be careful about all these things next this is the matter on Monday level मंडे लगुच आउथरे
My lord.
आपण मंडे चेंज कर देबे मेमो ऑफ पार्टीज कंसोलिडेटेड मेमो फाइल करिवे तार इश्यू करिवे नोटिस हला
Item 5.
May I please? This is regarding that redemption of my mortgage. Now, I took this loan in the year 2016 of 4.05 crores. On 13/5/2009, this was restructured by the Oriental Bank of Commerce. Then in 2020, they got merged with Punjab National Bank and United Bank. And it was the new corresponding bank was the Punjab National Bank. Now, this became NP in 2022. Thereafter, 13/4, they took possession. Now, your lordship will kindly come to the the only issue, which is that whether a redemption can be done prior to after issuance of sale certificate, but not registered.
You are ready to pay that.
Yes, entire thing. Your lordship will come to page 70.
So what is the stage now?
They have taken only possession of the property
Hmm.
and sale certificate has been issued. Page 70 is the sale certificate. The purchaser has paid 7.63 crores.
So convincing part is not done.
No, registration is not done. Beyond Dwarka Prasad, unless that is done, 13.8 still survives. So kindly page 70, they have deposited 7.63 crores. I will deposit that amount.
You have deposited.
We tried to deposit, they never took it. So I have come before your lordship, I will deposit before this.
Let for Punjab National here any council here.
Let notice go. I'll take by special messenger.
Not considering the facts narrated by the ये synopsis टा किए बने छी
ମୁଁ ଆଗେ ବନେଇଛି ଭୁଲ ଅଛି କି?
in a democratic politics law Bhubaneswar
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ହଉଛି 308 ପାଇଁ କରିଛି. My residential property, so by this process, because 13/8 still survives, they cannot refuse to take the money. Redemption is still available with me. And page 73, I have given the draft. I made it in the name of the client, mistook and made it in the name of the purchaser.
single bench ଆସିବ ଏଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଟା ଦିବି ର ଯିବା କଥା ହଉଛି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଥିରେ
ଏତେ surface ଆପଣ ସବୁ ସରି ଯାଇଛି
ସରିଯାଇଛି ତ what I am saying is only redemption. ମୁଁ ପଇସାଟା ଦେବି ମୋ ପ୍ରଫିଟ
ଦିବି କୁ ଯିବା କଥା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ এটা inaction. What I have said is that inaction of the opposite party not allowing me to pay the money.
but still it is subject matter DB because
I am not challenging anything. Surface area, if I challenge 13 to 13/4, then question of DB or DRT, that's to be decided. But here only is a question of redemption. Simple. It's a right which is accrues out of 13/8. And Supreme Court says in Dwarkadas that still I'll just show that line.
that I know that.
Yes, your lordship knows that. So I will deposit the money, entire amount in this court. The deputy register judicial, Odisha High Court, I'll deposit this amount. Let notice go by special messenger.
The petitioner is challenging the inaction of the opposite party in one into bank in not accepting the outstanding dues amounting to ₹7.63 crore. So the petitioner, though the petitioner has repeatedly approached the opposite party bank for settlement of the loan accounts and deliver the position of the scheduled property. Full stop. The PNB ରେ କେଉଁଠି ଅଛି ଡାକିଦେଲେ solve today
ନାଇଁ ନୋଟିସ ପ୍ୟାନେଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ନୋଟିସ ଟା ଦେଲେ ବେଟର ମୁଁ ସେ ଲେଜର ନେଇଯିବି
କିଏ କହନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତା ନାଁ ଲିଖିଦେବି କୋର୍ଟ ଇଜ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଟୁ ଲିଖିଦେବି କଣ କିଏ ଅଛି ନାଁ ଟା
ପଞ୍ଜାବ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ
ଅଞ୍ଜନ ବିଶ୍ୱାଳ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି କପି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ
2 PM ରେ ଡାକିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଇନ ଦି କୋର୍ଟ କୋର୍ଟ directs him to accept ଲିଖିଦେଲେ ଗଲା ଆଉ କାଇଁ
ମୁଁ କପିଟା ଦେଇଦେବି ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେବୁ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେବି
the issue notice in view of such he approached the court for direction from the court. Except the amount. Value of the position in property impressive. Issue notice to copy number 1, 2, 3. 3 तो सेमती भी देवाक पड़े पड़े
आगे
3 को नोटिस जीवाक पड़े
आगे।
छाड़े नहीं छाड़ा by registered postal
आगे
sorry by
Special messenger.
special messenger to all
yes yes I'll
to all the special messenger petition to file the requisites within 3 working days from today. This the matter on I mean a short date.
yes yes next week also 30 तारीख आसु
Let it come on 30th.
in the meantime subject to your lordship's consideration that let them not register this LD.
That's why I wanted him to take.
No, I will deposit. What I'm saying is entire amount by
Just
Friday.
hold on now. Why don't you call this person and 2 PM, I'm fixing it for 2 PM. He will take instruction, and problem is solved. Let him take instruction immediately.
I'll call him.
Because for this purpose only. Then I'll.
No, what I'm saying is I will deposit the entire amount
I understand.
before this court.
Where is it? Have you got the check?
No,
draft.
draft I have annexed at 10 kindly see. It has wrongly been prepared in the opposite part of 3's name. I'll get this draft in the High Court's registered judicial's name or PMD, anybody's name.
We have not any pass any order. How could you pass take the judicial registered judicial?
No, I'm
If they agree, you can hand over to them. Why I could register?
तो मत तो गोटे दिन टाइम दरकार हो ना वो तो अर्ली ड्राफ्ट वो कहले आपण तो मुझे काली दे देबी ड्राफ्ट
काली आशिका काली in the meantime दे दियो tomorrow ये दे दियो कॉपी मिस्टर विशाल को दे दियो कॉपी or anybody who is in Punjab
ना दीटाला आसु मु तंको कॉपी दे दोचो
हां दे दियो
दीटाला आसु 500 करी था
2 PM next
item 6
The GRS who is continuous contractual since 2008. She has been transferred by the order owner annex of 3 at page 17.
who did you transfer la
Basta block from Basta block to Jaleshwar block. It is more than 50 kilometers.
27 kilometers.
sir basta jaleswar kete din basta
50 kilometers. Block to block.
I have seen sir I have been to Basta not less than 3-4 times
Now,
and also Jaleswar.
the GP where he
I've seen it's not 50 kilometers. It is maybe hardly 25 kilometers maximum.
the GP where she is attached now, working now, from there more than 50 kilometers and her residence is there. Block headquarter hisab kala ko alga. He is working in Mathani GP. More than 50 kilometers.
From where to where?
From Mathani GP to Jaleshwar block.
Jaleswar block.
Block again.
Jaleswar block.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଯାଇ ବ୍ଲକ ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ଜଏନ କର ତାପରେ ତାକୁ ଆସାଇନ କରିବେ ବିଡିଓ କୋଉ
କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ନା କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ନା how do you know that is a new place ଟା ହେଇପାରେ ତମ ଯୋଉ ପାଖରେ ବି କରିପାରନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ how do you know that
ନା ଜଳେଶ୍ୱର ସେଟା
he has not been transferred yet to a particular place
transferred she has been transferred from Mathani GP to Jaleshwar block and she has been directed to the order will be come into
transfer हो देखिए okay
She'll be adjusted in a particular GP there.
जीपी को जान दो तापर डिस्टेंस में करे
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉ ଜିପି ରେ କାମ କରୁଛି ମତେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରାଗଲା ଜଳେଶ୍ୱରୀ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି
ट्रांसफर हेबेनी चाकरी करछन करनानी ट्रांसफर होउनी
ट्रांसफर आज्ञा जीआरएस रे कोड गाइडलाइन एपर्यंत से फिक्स करनांदी
होला कोटा एडवांटेज देखि आपण ए किछि न हेबा आगु न देखलु लंगला आपण तो ट्रांसफर हे हेनी
ट्रांसफर एनएस 3 जो ट्रांसफर
ऑर्डर ऑफ ट्रांसफर
मु रिलीव हेनी
पोस्टिंग दिया हेनी ना पोस्टिंग जरा आसे से देखि
आज्ञा मु रिलीव हेले तो जाई मते
और ले काम
मु रिलीव हेनी
लर्न का से पाखा पकी पोस्टिंग कर दे दोछि
हां मते पास्ट
ट्रांसफर अटके
मते नहीं मते पाखा पकी दे नियर बाय
ग्राम रोजगार सोजा विथ एनुअल annual agreement
यांकर चाकरी होची माने गोटे वर्ष एग्रीमेंट हबो तापर गैप हबो तापर जाई पुणी रिन्यू
ग्राम रोजगार सेवक which challenges the order of transfer video order number 3849/ZP/ESTT dot dated
So,
17/8/2023. Again, a man dated DTD लेखन आपने भी DTD कहीं लिखा था DATD लिखी हुई है next. No DTD. What DTD? सब जाके तो DTD कौन भी अपना नॉन वार्ड बना बाहर कुछ ये बोला ओडिशा रे DTD छा को इंडिया रे DTD के लिखा समझे पूरा DATD लिखा next to DATD लिखा DTD dated 17/8/2023 passed by
the
the
collect,
collector Baleswar by transferring the petitioner from the Mathani GP under Basta blocks to Jaleshwar block. Though the GP had not yet been assigned.
Yes.
Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that the petitioner being a low salaried person, he cannot afford to work in a to go to a distance place as he will be
she would.
she will be facing difficulties financially and otherwise. Full stop.
Son is also prosecuting in class 8.
Again, prosecuting court requirement.
Okay.
Court
For-
pursuing, not
for
prosecuting.
pursuing,
British 19th century British English. Prosecuting. Prosecuting बोला prosecution में किन लागू थी? Prosecution माने कौन? Prosecution माने कौन?
That is against the
Again, prosecuting नहीं होती. Pursuing.
pursuing.
हाँ.
Pursuing
This is modern English.
in
এটা
class.
ভুল নয় কিন্তু wrong.
না, না,
Old English.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
हाँ. ଆପଣ ଆଇଲେନି 21st
ପୁଅ ପଢୁଛି ଅଷ୍ଟମରେ ଦିଟା ଆଇମା 94
ନିଜେ
years
କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
ତା ପାଖରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡାଣ୍ଟ
କଣ?
ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ମରିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
ସେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବିନି।
ନା ସେଟା ତ
ହଁ। ହେଲା ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ଡିଭିଜନ ଲେଖିବି ଏତେ କଥା। Okay. Accordingly, the who is transferring you? The authority.
Collector.
the collector
Collector,
has-
Collector Baleswar is
Baleswar.
directed to transfer the petitioner to a nearby Gram Panchayat instead of a far off place so that she will perform her duties without any hindrance.
within that block within Basta block
Within
Basta
vacancy-
same block within same
the
block
same.
Okay.
If at-
Another Gram Panchayat within the same block.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ-
That should be your policy. Babu.
ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ମିଲଟ
ହଁ।
as per lordship direction the secretary is in fact ମିଲଟ
Within the
city-
same block. No?
ସେମ୍ ବ୍ଲକ ରେ ମିଲଟ ସବୁଠି ଭ୍ୟାକେନ୍ସି ଥିବା
ନା,
ଦରକାର
ନା,
ତ ସେଇ
ବହୁତ-
so ଆପଣ ତ
Depending on
ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
depending
unless the
on
vacancy is there how will
Depending on the vacancy or a nearby block.
Yes,
where
ma'am.
the vacancy-
Yes, ma'am. That's
vacancy
the-
is available.
Yes. That will solve it.
Okay, next.
Highly open. Urgent
Item
certified
number
copy.
7,
Can I pay the copy?
Item
Next.
7,
Next,
item 7, I have filed amendment petition to add the local authority of Tata Age policy as party OP number 3.
बनले
Again,
अइछन किए
na, today is listed for amendment.
Okay, amendment application is allowed.
I am filing consultant.
Okay, amendment application is allowed. Issue notice to OP number 2
OP
Tata
note
AI
3. OP note 3 is the local authority.
এটা আপনার তেলেঙ্গানা वाला होगा
Again, sir,
local authority.
OP number 3.
Number 3 branch manager Tata AI address लिखी दो.
Right.
Okay, list the matter on issue notice लिखी दो. Issue notice to OP number 3 list the matter on 4th आसु local तो आसु
Aye.
ये अच्छी की आई जी टाटा रखी अच्छी है
No, postal ta de desu.
नहीं ठीक है by registered post filed within 3 working days from today. Next,
item 8,
8 none.
In 8, your lordship, I appear for the ICICI Lombard in the connected two
Which
petitions.
for the petition?
I am for the one case petitioner and another case I am for the opposite party, my lord.
First case, I am the petitioner,
First case petition.
and next case, my learned senior is highly ICS.
So what is the issue?
Now, your lordship, this has come for correction of your lordship's order.
Correction. What is the
Correction, it seems inadvertent typographical error. If your lordship would look at order number 2 and 3, it is noted, my lord. Inadvertently typed out as 27/2022 and 18/7/2022, whereas it should be 27/6/23 and 18/7/23.
Number ta.
Sir, date would have bhuli my lord. This your lordship's order. Dates are some mistakes in the type.
18/7.
It should be 27/6/23 instead of 23/22. It has been typed.
Oh.
Let the necessary correction be carried out, and your lordship may call it up for after 15 days for hearing if it is possible, my lord. Interim orders are there.
Okay. Correction. I feel it.
My simplify is, your lordship, my senior is argue, my matter is may be dismissed, his matter also dismissed, so both matters also dismissed. I pray for interest.
Without hearing dismissed.
No, your lordship, I take.
When I have dismissed? I'm not dismissed yet.
No, my today.
It is listed after.
Today, my lord. I take answer.
Why are you saying dismissed? Kuch bhi bol rete ho.
I am paying for my lord interest. Well, next
I
day,
am-
my
What do you want? I am asking why are you standing here? What for your
my mind pray is my for the interest, my lord.
what is the interest?
My lord, that is the ombudsman passed in order 2000. I am filing 2022.
Hmm.
They passed in 23. I pay for
So you
interest, my
pay
lord.
for interest.
Interest.
Okay.
My lord,
Because of delayed payment, delayed claim settlement,
yes.
right?
While I question the entire liability, your lordship, he says that he is entitled to interest. So my lord has to decide the matter on merit.
Yes.
Then
I
only
will
question,
decide it on 11th September at 2 p.m. Hala?
my lords. Until then, the protection may
then-
be extended.
Told them this. Interim.
Protection are in the sub items, my lord.
The last sub item, I am appearing for the private opposite party.
Did samajh?
Yes.
9.
Item 9.
Either correction किसी नहीं था.
दुईटा का correction अछि sir.
Did correction? How correction कर दो?
এই দুইটারে sir अछि interim orders.
Okay. Interim order. देखिए दो.
My lord, 11th your lordship has kept it to 11th to 9.
Okay. Next. 9.
Item 9.
Yes, my lord. As a counter is received, my lord. Counter also will receive, my lord. It is a victim compensation, my lord. This case is.
Why victim compensation so much counter is under and all? Only
See,
counter is
it
sufficient.
Counter is sufficient.
Now- now you argue.
I have received the 3,50,000, my lord.
So how much you should receive?
That is as per my annexure 10 series, page number 51. My lord.
No. How much you should receive? According to how much you should get?
That is total 13 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବା କଥା ଥିଲା ସେ 3,50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି your lordship
13 ଲକ୍ଷ.
ହଁ annexure 10 my lord annexure 10 series 51 annexure 10 my lord annexure 10 serial number page number 51 my lord kindly see your lordship.
Your name is Sushma Kujur.
Yes my lord, I am widow.
Monetary compensation recommended 4 lakh.
Yes my lord.
Our case re Sushma Kujur monetary compensation recommended 19 lakh.
Same person same loko mate mane କହିବ ମାନେ 376 etc. they given my lord. This case is
So this is a compensation by Odisha
Government.
District Headquarter
हाँ
to okay. Deputy Superintendent Police HRPC.
She will get.
Huh?
She will get. I got instructed, she will get. Now this is the first page of compensation, 3,50,000 given in second case. So for first case is concerned, the address which was given in the affair, in that address she was not residing. So we could not able to trace her out. Now in second case, we verified all these things and process is on. So first page she will get, after charge sheet second page she will get, and after conviction of the accused third page she will get, as per rules.
They are ready to.
Yes. she will get.
Phase wise debi apna.
No,
Phase wise,
yes,
three
my
phase,
lord, I
there are
wait
three
with.
phases.
Then what is your grievance?
My grievance is, my lord, ମାନେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୋର address ଟା A3 ଯୋଉଠି ଅଛି।
Second
Address correction
ଆମେ ପାଇଯାଇଛୁ।
ଫାଇଲ କଲେ
ଆମେ ପାଇଯାଇଛୁ।
address correction ପାଇଁ read file କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ address correction ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ my lord, ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଠି ଅଛି ସେଇଠି ହିଁ ଅଛି my lord। ସେ
ଆପଣ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଗୋଟେ compensation ପାଇଁ ସେ address ଠିକ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ଆପଣ
second
ପଳେଇଲା।
ସେ ଅଲଗା address there, she at present residing at so and so ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
କୋଉଠି reside କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ସେଇଟା
ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
FIR
sir petition I have mentioned my lord।
The same address that
ହଁ
is
same
given-
address
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମାନେ-
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ମୁଁ
ହଁ।
କହିଦଉଛି।
ହଁ।
ଏଇଠି ନିବାସୀ ସୌନା ମରା
at present near Agrawal jewelry।
ସେଟା ନଥିଲା ଫାଷ୍ଟ FIR ରେ।
ହଁ ନାଇଁ ଏବେ
Anyway,
ମଧ୍ୟ
you give
ଅଛନ୍ତି।
the-
ଏବେ
give the
ମଧ୍ୟ
fresh
ସେଇଠି
address,
ଅଛନ୍ତି your
then
lord।
consider the petitioner to
Corporate.
give the fresh address to କାହାକୁ ଦେବେ?
my lord at present near Agrawal jewelry।
और sir କାହାକୁ ଦେବେ? ଏଇ address କାହାକୁ ଦିଆ ହବ?
ସେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ।
district welfare officer ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ହଁ district welfare।
The petitioner to hand over the present sorry, give the present address to district welfare officer within 1 week from today. Huh? And the district welfare officer shall proceed to release the fund as per law. Huh?
Yes.
yes my lord।
Release the victim compensation amount as per law.
that is stipulated time
Full
ଟା।
stop, full stop. କୁହନ୍ତୁ stipulated time ତାଙ୍କର time ହିସାବରେ ଦେବେ ନା ଆଉ।
yes ma'am।
ଆପଣ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ 13 ଲକ୍ଷ ଧରିଦେବେ ଧରି ପଳେଇ ମଦ ପିଇଦେବେ।
ନାଇଁ, ସେ
ଆଉ
ପାଇଛି।
ଫିର
3.5 ଲକ୍ଷ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଫେଜ ବାଇ ଫେଜ ଯିବେ ନା ଆଉ।
yes ma'am।
ତାର ରୁଲ as per rule କାଇଁ ଲେଖିଛି as per rule ଲେଖିଦବ ହେଲା। It is made clear that there shall not be any delay in the as per the payment schedule reflected in the rule.
SC and ST amendment rules 2018.
ମୋ rule ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଗଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଏତେ ସମୟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବୁଝିବ। Okay, just to for ensuring that he gets in time.
Your sim may say submit the address and cooperate with the.
yes my lord।
But he is not, why should he not
Like,
cooperate?
like,
ଆପଣ ଅଫିସର ଯାଉନଥିବେ ସେ ଗଛ ମୂଳ ବସିକି ପଳେଇ
Like,
ପାଇଲିନି ବହୁତ।
report ଅଛି।
ଏ ମାନେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିକି କେମିତି ଲୋକମାନେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ସବୁ ତ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେ କାଇଁ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦବ ଫଟକିନା। ଗାଁ ଗହଳି ଲୋକମାନେ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଏମିତି ସହଜେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତିନି। ସହର ଲୋକମାନେ ଭଡା
Yes, shift ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତି। To release the amount the amount under the compensation scheme as per rule and in time. If any deviation occurs, the petitioner is free to file a contempt petition before this court.
Item number 10.
obliged your lordship।
After number 10.
Last occasion, my lord directed the government to take instruction, my lord. The fact is that the petitioner is a Anganwadi worker, my lord. She has not,
a week after. Software time instruction asking.
my lord, may I pay a small payer, my lord? They have passed the order in the miscase, that is miscase number 15/2023. If that record will, my lord, produce before my lordship, then your lordship I am quite satisfied.
Let him file.
My lord,
Let
why I
him
am
file
saying,
the reply.
whether notice has been issued to the sole question that without any notice to me, they have passed the order. From the notice record, your
Let
lordship
let
find
him
out.
file. Let him file. Not consider the state to take instruction within a week. This is the matter on 11th.
Miscase ଟା ପଳେଇଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା, my lord.
11th ଆସୁ ନା ଦେଖିବା।
my lord,
Next.
Item 11.
11.
11 also needs some time.
Time order.
Directed
One week ପରେ ଆସୁ।
to get this record from the CDM
Today
Dhengana.
I called the top
Let- let-
CDM. Take a time out.
One week time is granted to get the record to comply with the last order.
Yeah, last.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Sir, the entry order is there.
11
We
ନ
want to continue. 12.
Not say fix a date to the matter. Short date.
11.
Dhengana.
12. 12 sir.
12 to walk ticket come.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 12 ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 12 ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ଅଲଗା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର କୌଣସି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କେ ଯିବ 3 ମାସରୁ ତଳକୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅ That side also.
Or by September also.
Okay, next.
Item 12.
May I please, your lordship? The petition is custody since my lord's 3/11/2020,
3/11.
your lordship. 2 years,
What is the
10
offense?
months. Offense under section 302(120)(b) 34 and 109 of IPC, charge sheeted against the.
What is your
present
role?
As per the prosecution case, your lordship, there is no direct allegations against the present petitioner. The prosecution case is that, your lordship, the deceased
Hmm.
and the present petitioner,
Hmm.
they have a live-in relationship,
Hmm.
and on the day of occurrence, one telephone call was went to the nephew of the deceased
Hmm.
that the house has been stolen and the health condition of the deceased is serious, you come. Thereafter, the informant, elder sister of the deceased and the nephew, yes, your lordship rejected. I only pray, your lordship, target the trial, your lordship. 3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି। Your lordship,
I don't know,
informant
if there is a lot of pressure on the Lord judiciary.
if that yes, lordship.
Supreme Court itself says, please don't target any matter because you don't know their pressure, their problem. That means you are just breaking the queue.
Yes,
This is a queue. So if you
but,
target means you are breaking the queue.
but in
If a
other side,
person can
lordship,
come here, he will get the
But-
order, and the person who
yes,
can't come, he will
your
be
lordship is right,
languishing.
but in other side,
no,
Honorable
no.
Supreme Court is
You-
directing for
you try
speedy
there.
trial is the right of the accused, your
No,
lordship.
that's
That is
fine.
that.
Nobody is
Yes, yes.
disputing that.
ତ ସେଇଥିଲାଗି
Nobody-
informant
I
କୁ
mean,
several
everywhere I am
notice
writing
ଦେଲା
that.
ପରେ ବି ସେମାନେ informant
Everywhere
ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
that. Speedy trial is the right of the decision.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Questionnaire ଖାତାରେ ବି
informant କୁ several court ଡାକିଲା ପରେ ବି ସେ ଟର୍ନ
But
କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
what can I do, sir? You go and say the same thing to the court. What can I do? If somebody is not coming, the High Court can, the High Court bring him.
expedite ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଲେ ସେ ଟିକେ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତେ
Nah,
ନା unnecessary
nah.
oblige, your lordship.
Next.
May I pardon my lord? I am just, my matter was listed yesterday. Item 45.
Huh.
I am just reading notes of that.
My lord, item 50, my lord. My lord, my senior is not well, my lord. So kindly come this next week, my lord.
50.
Within that, item 50, my lord. Meanwhile, we
Who is the opposite party?
will state, my lord. We'll file some judgment also.
And others?
And
Who is in the others category? There must be some private party.
No, that's the compensation due to custodial death, my lord. Yes,
Okay. Let it come on, which day we want?
and next week or day after or next. He's
Let
not
it
well.
come on 1st September. What? First September.
Meanwhile, we file some judgment also.
You file whatever you want to file.
Obliged.
Passed over matter, item number 5.
Item 5.
I've given a
No.
copy to this one.
Yes, you take instruction.
Yes, I will take
He
instruction.
is saying that he is ready to pay the whole amount.
My lord.
And in many instances,
Yes,
even
yes,
if it is convincing.
Right
enough,
of
then still-
redemption,
Ah,
I will
still
not
it is-
stand on the way, but it is necessary that my learned friend may take through special messenger to the opposite party, not to who has purchased for 3.
No, that's what I have told. He is doing
Because
that.
he has purchased the
No,
property
order
and
I
yes.
have passed. Let him come.
Yes,
But in the meantime, you take instruction from.
I will within 7 days I will take instruction also.
I'm putting which date? No,
Because-
why 7 days? You don't take so much time. Let it be very soon. He will take steps through special message to the opposite party.
Today Bhubaneswar, one day it will come.
Bhubaneswar, ठीक है,
3 दिन लगा
So I'm fixing it on 29th. then.
My lord.
29th.
मंगलवार को।
Let's finish
वो
it.
2 दिन के steps नहीं.
Yes.
मुझे तार देख तांगर देख
We'll finish it if he's ready. See, आपको पैसा चाहिए, तो उसको sorry बैंक को
बैंक को
you have already got the money.
आमे पाई गलुनी
That
पैसा
thing
सेही लोकटा आसले से नहीं गला गला सारी
Then the suburb,
আমরা
he is paying, he is ready to pay and he wants
से
to-
नो आसले ही परिवानी
Only the outstanding, I'm paying with charges. and
Yes,
the
yes,
paid
yes.
amount.
Obviously, that we have to.
Everything I'll pay.
that is
have to
that
pay.
is the logic of right of redemption
No,
Yes.
that you have to pay. That's
So
the-
your lordship may also indicate that.
no not necessary at that
Acha,
point of
let
time
him come.
let him come
Let him come. We'll
Let me
finish
take-
it on that day.
My lord.
Once the other side comes, you finish.
yes
Okay. next.
your lordship will put him down
Only thing is that let the opposite party not take any coercive measures. So
what
that-
cost him
No, he will not take anything. He
Your lordship
just
will indicate.
now you have now he has come. That's why I wanted you to.
मत प्रेजेंस ता कहीं
So
चाहिए
he will inform. Don't worry.
So your lordship may indicate his.
हाँ,
Yes.
Mr. Anjan. Referring to the bank,
अंजन कुमार
Anjan Kumar, sir. Referring to the bank, gave some notice
take instruction
and
I'll
take
take-
instruction. List the matter on 20 minutes.
My lord.
20 minutes. 2 p.m.
okay
Okay. I'll come with the draft.
Yes, yes, please get with the draft.
draft is there you have a nice
You have prepared the draft. no?
yes
I have prepared the draft.
Just get the draft, just to,
because that fellow will take the money not okay
obviously. But whatever the bank charges, he has to.
Everything is
no
included.
because
Okay.
in a
So,
higher price
We have also-
that draft will go to him only.
okay
Yes.
only him
No, 7.63 is the amount. I have made a draft for 7.88. 78.
because
आगे
after
पाँच
sale,
पंद्रह लाख
we have
को add
moved
करो।
to- because it is
Okay.
it is in a higher side
Yeah,
range
in
order.
many cases that has happened.
Yes.
It's not a first time it is happening.
Great.
Many cases it's such.
If it is settled then here I
Ah, it will be done here, don't worry. You
Great.
get the pen, I'll get it set.
great great
Item 13. May I please, your lordship. My lord, 20B2C of the NDPS Act, my lord. Quantity, my lord, 194 kg, similar footing, one accused released on bail.
Give the order. Give the order.
For 4 months, my lord.
Huh?
4 months. Due to delay in trial, your lordship. had granted-
Head, you are from which place?
UP, my lord.
UP वाला को देउनी.
My lord,
ओडिशा वाला दूसरे खाली.
my lord, he has no criminal antecedent.
ना दात हो मुंडे भी.
My lord,
पढ़ेला आसिबन
no, my lord.
trial करना.
Any term and condition, your lordship. Case security may be also.
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଚାଲିଲା ଏବେ
Well.
କ୍ୟାଶ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି କରିକି ଚାଲିଲେ ସବୁ
इधर करी पढ़े जो तार आसिबन trial गला तावटर.
My lord, in my case, my lord, a single case,
ନା ନା
abscond है ना अधिकार.
सेम जे आज ऑप्शन है ना आपण दाई हेबी.
My
माई केस में कोई भी नहीं.
my-
आ केस रे जीव की जानी छी सेटा. ये nobody knows.
my lord, any,
You have faith in your brief, not in your client.
my lord, my
हाँ,
lord.
client में go, you never know. तुम्हारा
Mm.
आँख के नीचे से निकल जाएगा कहाँ पता नहीं.
Any stringent condition, your lord.
हम्म,
Any stringent condition. Since my lord, 2021 trial has not been commenced, your lordship.
Take the instruction from trial.
My lord.
कौन है जी? तो देखिए कब तक Not ready to take the instruction or the comes from the trial. Next,
My lord, item 14, your lordship, 20B2C.
Item 14.
quantity. Quantity कितने?
99 kg, 800, my lord. In this case, my lord, all the accused person released on bail by this only.
ये लोगों कोड़ी करा.
ये local person, your lordship.
Local.
Local
Okay,
person.
granted. Local असुविधा नहीं. Granted.
Oblige, your lordship.
Order देंतु. बाकी order दे देंतु.
Oblige, your lordship.
The detail. Just for privacy. And next.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item number 15.
15.
Please, your lordship. Yes, under section 457 and 395. The allegation is that at the dead of night, they entered, some unknown persons entered into the house and at one point looted gold jewelry and gold and money.
So. You have been in custody since?
Since 10th, 12/3/23,
NRA 6ଟା criminal
all
antecedent.
ଦେଇଛି antecedent ସବୁ bail ଅଛି ଦେଇଛି. I have filed an affidavit, given copy to the state also.
In custody since when, sir?
12/3/23.
12/3/23.
23.
Ebbe,
Again,
what is the role here in this
says
case?
that unknown persons,
Unknown person.
my lord.
But
FIR is unknown person.
one statement of one co-accused, he said that he was very much available on that day with a କଟୁରୀ.
Hmm?
କଟୁରୀ ଦେଖେଇଲା ଇଏ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଦେଖେଇକିରି ଲୁଟିଲେ ଘର.
Any other evidence, only that, except that man?
Only co-accused person.
Affidavit.
सब 394 395 27 arms act.
case रा केते दिन चलछि दा? चलछि खाली adjournment after adjournment.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଉ ନୂଆ ରୁଲ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେ କୋର୍ଟ କି ଯିବ ସେମାନେ ଡିସାଇଡ କରିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି.
ଯୋଉଠିକି ଦେଇଦେଲା ଯିବ
The register is
ଆଉ ଏତେ ଏଣେ ତେଣେ କାଣ ବୁଲୁଛ ଏଇଟା ଦେଇଦେବ ଦେଲା ଦେବାର ଅଛି ଦେଇଦବ କିଛି ହେବନି ନଦେଲା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଦେଲା ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ କିଛି. If you don't give, the person goes there, then it's a problem. Then this code, as a faltu rule. I don't agree with that rule. You have got a bail in all the cases?
all the cases. I have given affidavit.
Sir, why these advocate class are filing nowadays? Again, I've stopped it, this practice. Advocate, and who are they? They're nobody in the case. Either advocate will file or the client will file, not the advocate clerk. That's
ନା
that,
client ତ କରିପାରିବ
no, client କାଇଁ କରିବେ?
ଭିତରେ-
Pyrocar,
ନା,
sir,
ନା, ନା।
pyrocar.
no no ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ନା ସେ
ସେ
କରିବ.
ଭିତରେ pyrocar, ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି pyrocar, ତାର wife, ତା husband, ତା ଯଦି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
lady ଥିବ ତା husband, ତାର ଦିଅର, ତାର ଶ୍ୱଶୁର, ଯିଏ କଲେ
I
ଚଳିବ.
accept, ma'am.
pyrocar, that's why the word I'm using, pyrocar. ଆଉ pyrocar କରିବ ନା ଆଉ କି ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ବୋଲି କଣ
No, I accept this.
କ୍ଲାର୍କ କଣ ଜାଣିଛି ସେ ଲେଖିଛି କଣ affidavit ଲେଖିଲା I Jitendra Ajadavit son son of
deal
son
କରୁଛି
son
ନା
do hereby solemnly affirm that I am the advocate's clerk of Sri so and so Talcher. That Umakant Bhai co-accused so and so. ये वो सब जानेगा advocate clerk का
ସେ deal କରୁଛି ନା ନା ନା
deal କଲେ
ଆପଣ
ଜାଣିଗଲା
ଯାହା
ସବୁ।
କହୁଛନ୍ତି I accept.
That the
କିନ୍ତୁ
content
deal
of the affidavit
କରୁଛି।
are true to the best of my knowledge and belief.
ଆଉ ଆମର ଛଡା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋହରି
କ୍ଲାର୍କ ମାନେ affidavit ଦେଇ ଆସିଲେ ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ବିରୋଧ ସରିଗଲା ଆଉ କାହିଁ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଟା ଏମିତି କରାହେଇଛି ଏଇଟା ଆମ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଆଗରୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କୋର୍ଟରେ
ବୁଲି ବୁଲିକି ଆଇଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଭାରତ ଦର୍ଶନ and see anyway the petitioner Lord Constable, the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been in custody since 12/3/2022
Madam.
and he had and the trial has not yet commenced.
No.
Not yet commenced. However, Lord Constable, the state submits that the petitioner has as many as 6 antecedents before different police station. ସବୁ ତ ବିରଡି ଗୋଟେ before Biridi police station and he has also filed sorry full stop to which Lord Constable the petitioner submit that the petitioner has filed a detailed case reference and in all those cases by way of an affidavit in all those case reference sorry all those cases which are referred herein. So the petitioner has been enlarged on bail in all the cases. Considering the without going to the case, consider the detailed field of definition.
May I pray or in the, or the court in session because this was filed in April.
Or court in session of the matter.
My lord.
Court in session of the matter.
Well.
Related to the court in session over the matter shall release in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 conditions jete karo de do hala. Including here it is to be present before the court.
Yes.
On fortnightly basis till the trial is over. Before the local police station between 10 to 1.
Item
Yes.
16.
এটা ଯିବ appropriate bench এটা ଆମର earlier it was heard by Justice Sahu Sangam Sahu SK Sahu
16.
Yes.
Aye.
Let it go to the problem. It's so much confusion. I don't know why this is so many. There's a lot of confusion. And I think it's-
Assignment ଆସିଛି ଯେହେତୁ co-accused ଗୁଡାକର ଆପଣ deal କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ।
ତାହେଲେ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି।
ଏଠି ଯିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହଉନି? You go there? ସେମିତି ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି। ପକ୍ସୋ କେସ୍ ଲାଗି।
Yes, Lord.
ଗାଞ୍ଜା ସିନା ଦେବି ଏଟା ଦେବି।
May I permitted to write the only name, appeal number 7.
ସାର୍ application ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ସେ ନାମ ଲେଖା ସିଷ୍ଟମ ମୁଁ କରୁନି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ହଉ,
ପୁରା
ମୁଁ
ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି।
ପ୍ରପରଲି IAA ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ।
ନାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ ତ
implement application if this person is implemented then I will allow the implement application then it will
ନାଇଁ ମିସ୍ କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରି
ହାତରେ ଲେଖିଲେ ହବନି।
ମିସ୍ କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି
ଓକେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ହଁ।
କିଛି ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ଆଜି
ହଁ ମିସ୍ କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରି କପି
ଓକେ
ଦେଇଛି
ଫାଇଲ allowed this is allowed and
କନସୋଲ୍ଟ କଷ୍ଟ ସେଟଲଟା ଦେଇଦେବି cost settled.
ଫାଇଲ within
ଆଜି କାଲି ଦେଇଦେବି 29 କୁ ଆସୁ 29 କୁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ
ନୋଟିସ ରେସି କରିବେ ଆପଣ ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ କିଏ
ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ
ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ତ 29 ଆସିଲେ କଣ 29 ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ କହିବି ଏବେ ନହେଲେ ତାପରେ ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିବି
ନୋଟିସ
ହେଇଛି
ନାଇଁ ନୋଟିସ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ହେଇଯିବ
Notice ଦରକାର government
ହବ,
30 ରେ ଆସ
30 ରେ ଆସୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
30 ରେ ଆସ
ହଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା 30
Item 19.
19 my lord
That consolidated cost.
ଭାଇ
Talk, talk.
ଖାଲି ତହସିଲଦାର
Sir.
ଦେବି ସାର୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେବି
19 my lord may be taken up next week. Mr. Das was there on the first hour he was there my lord.
ତମର
He
ଦାସ
requested
କୁଆଡେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଦିନ ବି ସେମିତି ଗଡି ଗଡି ପଳେଇଲେ ସାର୍ ଦେଇଟା ରଖିଥିଲି ଆଜି ସ୍ପେଶାଲି ଇଏ କରିବା ପାଇଁ।
ନାଇଁ ଏଥିରେ ବୋଧେ
କଣ
condonation delay ଉପରେ hearing ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା।
ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ ଡିଲେ
Hmm.
କେତେ ଦିନ ଡିଲେ ଅଛି
More than a year, your lordship,
then
arbitration.
I'm not going to condemn it.
Rokhi dom next week.
Lordship had asked to file a written note and as well as some judgments regarding
on
that.
delay
On delay only, your lordship.
306 days delay. Very difficult to condone in the arbitration matter delay. Anyway, let's day after
Your
tomorrow.
lordship,
हाँ day after tomorrow my lord.
Day after tomorrow asu. Day after tomorrow no day after tomorrow kar Monday 2 p.m. Monday 2 p.m.
yes,
Aye.
your lordship.
Monday 2 p.m. my lord.
2 p.m.
Oblige.
Next.
Item 20.
2021, your lordship, I may refresh your lordship's memory. Death by fire on an explosion of a gas cylinder. Your lordship directed me to verify whether that a death by fire is covered by ex gratia compensation or sympathetic. That list I have given, that the state government has given. ଟିକେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ instruction ଅଛି ଆସୁନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆସୁନି
ଆସିନି
ପଢିଲେ?
instruction।
ନାଇଁ instruction ଆସିଛି।
ପଢିଲେ
ଆପଣ ପରା କଭର
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍
କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଲିଖି ଦେଇଛୁ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ପଢିଦେବି ମୋର instruction ଟା ତ ମୁଁ ପଢିବି।
ଆଉ ପଢ
In inviting reference to a letter number so and so subject cited, I am directed to say that it has been intimated in the matter of WPC number so and so, which was listed on 18/7, and the Honorable Court was pleased to adjourn the matter on 10th August 2023 with a direction to obtain instructions as to whether death due to gas explosion is coming under the purview of time or not, for which the petitioner is claiming 4 lakhs of her ex gratia compensation. As per the postmortem report of Sunil Kumar Dalai, the death was due to asphyxia as a result of suffocation. In this connection, it is submitted that ex gratia assistance for death due to gas leakage explosion does not come under the purview of State Disaster Response Fund (SDRF), National Disaster Response Fund (NDRF) norms guidelines, as gas explosion is not an approved natural calamity for the time being. In view of the above facts, it is requested to kindly apprise the Honorable Court matter.
Because Indian Indian Oil Corporation, IOCL, HPCL, whatever. They have
IOCL.
different system of compensation, sir. They have
whether this
हेटा भी पाइबे हेटा भी नहीं जोड़ा गुटे नेबे ना
आगे नहीं मु टिके कहूची
जेंति पेंशन जोने पेंशन पाउथले रिटायर्ड जज माने पेंशन पाइला पाउथान
आगे
आ सब गोटे कमिशन ऐड करंती सेठी जो दरमा पाइबे से पेंशन वाला मन काटी करी मिले सेंति आपण सेठी
with your lordship's permission 1 minute, death by fire is a genus. With your lordship's permission 1 minute, fire is the genus. This species may be fire due to gas explosion, may be fire due to burning of that house, may be fire.
No. That logic won't work here. So let me tell you very frankly. So fire may be, suppose मु घरे मु भात रांधुची देखि परलिनी मोर कोन लागि गला फायर लागि गला एतरे कोन मिलिबो ना बिल्कुल नै नेचुरल कैलामिटी सपोज गां जाके घर पुड़ी गला गां रे किबा शॉर्ट सर्किट इज पुड़ी गला
एटा पर एटा एक्सीडेंटल फायर मींस एक्सीडेंटल फायर
अच्छी ऑलरेडी आपन बेनिफिट जेतु पाउछंती आईओसीएल गेट दैट बेनिफिट एक्सपर्ट फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट
हमरो किसी रोल नै
गवर्नमेंट आपन को
नहीं गवर्नमेंट मु कहते गवर्नमेंट जो आपन कहतले जे फायर
इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम आप इंश्योरेंस अमाउंट क्लेम कले 40-50 लाख पाइबे 4 लाख पे कहीं एते दौड़छन
दैट ऑल लॉर्डशिप में ऑब्जर्व एंड डिस्पोज ऑफ दिस डिस्क्रिप्शन आई विल
ऑब्जर्विंग
ऐसे तरह से माने
आई एम सिंपली सेइंग this doesn't cover under whatever the government
and they are eligible to get from IOCL under this नहीं अति तो मु आपन को दे नहीं it's a ex gratia matter on sympathetic your lordship.
I am sympathetic, but it should cover under the scheme, na sir.
No.
Unless that is covered under the scheme.
True, your lordship have bowed down, but this is a beneficial legislation where your lordship will extend your.
Which legislation beneficial legislation?
Accidental death ये
legislation
accident.
That's a scheme.
से जो मुझे IOCL लो भी स्कीम ता दे दी
can always sir why should I
आपण IOCL लो नियंतु ना
IOCL लो नहीं
किंतु ये तो फायदा अपन तो कहउछन कवर करू नहीं
हम तो मतलब
दे टू gas explosion अच्छा let me taken up in some of the days so that I'll verify whether that कारण मु तो
एटा प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी को लेटर टा
नहीं तांकू इंस्ट्रक्शन पे दिया है तो सीए गड़ो मु गड़े
गड़े लोड मानी देलो गड़ेलु कोन
this is for court not for you
आया
लेखो लर्न कांसेप्ट पता पिटिशन लिख दो वाले the petitioner is the father of the deceased late Sunil Dalai who died due to the explosion of gas cylinder while cooking.
नहीं while working in a factory जो नूडल्स तैयार होतिला
फैक्ट्री वाला तो इवन फैक्ट्री वाला के इंश्योरेंस आवर सेठी पाइबे
ता लायबिलिटी भी आसी
सेठी भी पाइबे
ठीक है
तार भी अच्छी
कहा लायबिलिटी है
फैक्ट्री वाला
देखो
आयुष
नहीं फैक्ट्री वाला
पर पेमेंट
सर
फैक्ट्री वाला अभी
पेमेंट को चाहिए IOCL जो कवरेज आसीगो
इंश्योरेंस भी तार कवर होतिबो ना
नहीं तार सेटा कवरेज नहीं IOCL अपन सिलेंडर ता कवर बाय
कवर करे देनी
आज्ञा
एम्प्लॉय मान कवर करेनी 50 वाला
ना नहीं एम्प्लॉई कहीं आपनकर आईओसीएल तो अब आपन कवर कर
छाड़न तो ना आईओसीएल कथा
आज्ञा
अदरवाइज सपोज आईओसीएल फैक्ट्री सिलिंडर कथा
नहीं नहीं तार नहीं
फैक्ट्री वाला करनी
नहीं तार नहीं
फैक्ट्री करनी
तार तार फैक्ट्री माने आपनकर ए स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री आपन घरे रखी घरे रखी कि 2 जन लेबर रखी कि से नूडल्स तैयार करे
नूडल्स तैयार करो ये रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कार
करी नहीं कवरेज करनी करतल तो सही ही जाइतांदा आईओसीएल पे किंतु
हो गया दी सिलेंडर the petitioner was the deceased was about 25 to 26 years young boy at the time of the explosion. In the so about there I mean member of the family. The livelihood of the family was dependent on the income. This is hence the petitioner is constrained to the petitioner approach the authority for the city acts for compensation. Also, notice was issued in this matter to the state government for taking instruction in the matter. And concept for the state Mr. Mahapatra submitted the instruction dated 5/8 issued by the Office of the Special Relief Commission. And there is one on 5/8/2023. In the said letter, the office, the additional special relief commissioner has stated that the ex gratia assistance for death due to gas leakage plus explosion does not come under the purview of state disaster response fund. State disaster response plus National Disaster Response Fund (NDR) plus guidelines as gas explosion is not an approved guidelines as gas explosion is not an approved natural calamity for the time being. In view of the above, the prayer made by the petitioner cannot be entertained and the petition is dismissed.
आईओसीएल गाइडलाइन तो आप मागिथिल मुझे दे
just आपनकर knowledge पे
आगे।
सेटा एई
और
केस
ठीक है।
संपर्क में
ओ।
आईओसीएल
नहीं हम रिप्रेजेंटेशन करिछु
सेटा पार्टी नहीं तो मुझे तो
हाँ, आगे।
देखिवा ठीक है
रिप्रेजेंटेशन करिछु
that will get there sir
आगे न आसले आपण कति पुणी आसीबो आ को
आईओसीएल आगे से आसीबे
हाँ, आगे, मु पास आगे
to
से।
pass आनंद तू मु तो पास करियो
आगे
ठीक है
आगे आगे
हाँ You should
ନାଇଁ
get.
representation ବି ଦେଇଛୁ ଯେ
ନହେଲେ ଆସିବେ ଫାଇଲ
ଆଉ
କରିବେ କଣ
କିଛି
ଅଛି?
ଦିନ ଗଲା ପରେ ଆସିବୁ
ହଉ ଆଣ. I am ready to pass.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
People should get money. That's all. Next,
Item 22,
22.
On behalf of S. Mishra, my lord.
So, as Mr. on behalf of कौन है?
No, petitioners are from remote areas. They come.
Petitioner ठीक डाकू से दिया अपना तो आर्ग्यू करेंगे petitioner से कौन? अपन तो आर्ग्यू करेंगे. Requisite fair special कथा कौन सांची? Okay, requisite file वाले petitioner to be accepted and they should proceed list the matter. Come to the point straight. Point को सीधा आसिबा. आ एना तने गुरल लावन. आजकल जमाना गलानी से जमाना. गोटे केस धरी कर दिन जाक आ ऊ कर आर्ग्यू करू तो यार जज बेंद कर सुनू तो सुई पड़ू. से जमाना गलानी. फटफट आओ फटफट फैसला लो फटफट निकलो. ठीक है. Next.
23,
23.
May I please your lordship? My lord, we are filing this IA for modification of the order dated 11/5 of.
What modification?
My lord, it is wrongfully mentioned at IIC Kundagiri Dist Kendrapada instead of IIC Gobindapur Dist Sambalpur.
I file को चली.
My lord, I am.
Okay.
I am.
ठीक है.
Obliged.
Next.
24,
24.
My lord, I am in VC, my lord.
Michael Kerkata.
Yes, my lord. In this case, I have received the counter. I will file the rejoinder only 1 week time I granted, my lord, because I am suffering from dengue, my lord. I could not prepare that.
Don't come, sir. I am giving you 1 month time. आराम से file करो. Okay. So I am
And
granting you 1 month time. File your reply on 29th September.
Yes,
List the matter on 29th September. Before 29th.
Yes, my lord.
आप dengue फेंगो भलो है क्या?
My lord.
Okay. Next.
Obliged.
unfortunately, my lord, today I have not find out my file, my lord. File कोठी रही छु मुझे.
दे file दे.
25
अरे
item.
file देवे sir. File को आड़े जो एठी दे दी copy दे दी. अबे fortunately file अपन file. हला. Now start arguing.
सेटा रिवेन्यू करी पारु 2014 मसिया रे.
ହେଲା ଏବେ ଦେଲେ ତ ହେଲା ଆଉ କରିବେ ଆଉ କଣ ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଆରୁ କରୁ
ନାଇଁ ଏଥିରେ ଆମେ ବି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରିଛୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କପି ସର୍ଭିସ ହେଇନି I will serve in course of the day.
no anyway he is filing a copy you file you do one thing take a photocopy and return back the file just now go and get photocopy and return back unofficially ଦଉଛି officially ନେବା କଥା
Xerox
time ତ ଦଉଛି officially ମାଗି ନେବେ ଥାଉ unofficially କାଇଁ ଦେବି list the matter on 14th ହେଲା
all right.
learn concept you give a copy
ଆଜ୍ଞା in course of the day.
ଆପଣ officially ନେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ copy
ମାର
ନହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ନେଇଯିବେ ନହେଲେ
ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ନେଇ.
ହଁ ବାସ୍ ବଢିଆ ଏଠୁ କମ ନେବାଟା ଭଲ
ଆଜ୍ଞା. 26.
Okay, 26. 26.
26, your lordship, last week they filed, state has filed the county, your lordship. I pray for 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder.
I'll grant unless you smile, I can't grant. You never smile. Have the habit of smiling. Body will get oxygenated. You'll live longer if you smile more. When you're pressurizing your heart.
ସେଠି କୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଲା ବେଳେ ଟିକେ ନହେଲେ ଭଲ ପିଲା ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ. Fine gentleman.
And you just smile, smilingly argue matter. Yeah. So when do you want?
2 weeks after.
2 weeks after. Okay, 2 weeks.
3 weeks will be
15th.
granted. 3 weeks will be granted. 3 weeks will be granted.
15th to Delhi out there.
Fine. Okay.
15. Next.
27,
The second matter on the last occasion I have been trying to file the
Yes.
written note of argument.
It is over. Argument is over.
I am filing today, man.
Argument is over, I think. Argument was over.
No, man, written note, only their chat and your lordship says.
Okay, okay. Who is the any other person here?
No, man.
What is the issue?
My lord, here the issue is the petitioner was initially appointed as, she was appointed as Anganwadi worker.
Departmental proceeding.
Yes, departmental proceeding and the criminal proceeding, both were on the same set of allegations.
କାହିଁ ହେଇପାରିବନି?
In the departmental proceeding, my lord, she has been disengaged from the service. And so far as the criminal proceeding is concerned, he has been acquitted.
True.
So my case is that since in the criminal case she has been acquitted, so she
You approach the authority considers I don't have any issue. I can't order you take him. No. You approach the authority with a representation. If the authority considers you fit.
No, my lord, I approach the authority. They rejected the same without taking into consideration the law of the governing the.
No, law is not governing. Which law governing the police?
Sir,
It is always, sir, it is always the prerogative of the department whether to take you or not to take you. Because criminal case, what is the criminal case about?
Criminal case 409. Misappropriation.
Criminal breach of trust.
Criminal breach of trust. And this same, and apart from that, nobody has considered the case of the petition that she is in no way involved in the, because of that she received the materials, dal and rice from the office. It was brought through a trolley. On the way, the trolley got showed some defect. The trolley driver, she unloaded the materials and got his trolley repaired. Thereafter, after reloading, when he was coming, the police caught him out. Saying that you are going to sell the same in black market. That is the allegation.
Hindi kete story na bahare.
No, that is the case.
These stories are very popular.
That is the problem, my lord. That is the problem. But since some stories are there, the real fact is going to be.
But how to know the real facts?
I received. I came to Anganwadi center.
You have been acquitted, I know that, but after acquittal, ଆପଣ କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ acquittal ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ବିଦା କରିବା କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ?
In 2010, my lord.
ଏବେ ତ ଏତେ ଆଉ କେହି ଜଣ ହେଇକିରି ସେ ଜାଗା ଚାଲିଥିବ ସେ.
Interim order there, nobody has been appointed till.
Interim order ବି ମିଳିଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ? ଏଇ ତ problem. Interim order 10 ବର୍ଷ ଚାଲିଲା ଆଉ କଣ?
ମୋ post but nobody has been appointed.
କିଏ ଅଛି? appointment ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କାହାକୁ?
ନାଇଁ.
No, state କହିବ.
That will have to take instruction.
Let him take instruction. ଯଦି post କିଏ ଦେଇଥିବେ ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବିନି.
No,
ଯଦି ନ ଦେଇଥିବେ ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ.
instruction କେହି ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି.
Actually this is not it's not proper.
And there is a.
କି ଯେହେତୁ acquittal ହେଲା ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ department ନେବ ନ ନେବ that is their prerogative. I can't compel, court can't compel.
The person having no fault on her part.
How is that fault? Fine, but the thing is, once
the proposition.
Everything has been done mechanically. And so far as the departmental proceeding is concerned, my lord.
I can't, that is said a very wrong.
There's another angle to it also. There's this phrase called honorable discharge. That has not happened in this case. It was a benefit of doubt case. That's there in the order itself.
Then
page 56.
That is why your lawsuit.
Page 56 observation.
Take instruction. Yes, the state to take instruction regarding the appointment of Anganwadi worker in place of the present petitioner. Status of appointment like this. Status of appointment of government is बहुत लंबा था government appoint कर ही दिया stay stay मैंने दबा का था नहीं stay थोड़े मुझे तो stay दले 5 दिन 7 दिन time देगा जी stay दे देवे चल लगा दे तापर ऐसे matter उठी वो नहीं गला वर्षा पड़ जाओ those person other side भी तो देखिए ना flip side of that.
Earlier so many cases it was listed. She is fortunate that it is. Now your lordship taking over.
No, I am taking all matters. I am finishing it quickly also. Unnecessary delivery lava. Filing Monday. Monday अपना ये करिए बुझी की रानी में से कोई होते. Maximum Tuesday जाओ. 30th का दिन. We got 3-4 days. You got the instruction. We'll finish on that day. I would have finished it, but just giving an opportunity.
No, I understand. I'll get instruction.
Okay, next.
28.
28.
Well, here in this case, lordship kindly see the last order. Lordship directed the State Council after hearing me
substantially take instruction. Whether my entire case, the petitioner was appointed as a Sikha Sayak after being tendering his resignation as a education volunteer, and after completion of 3 years, 2009, the authority issued a show cause saying that you have been appointed by securing 16 mark grace mark, which he is not entitled to. And accordingly, takes issued show cause. At that stage, I approached the lordship, and lordship directed initially.
Sorry, I couldn't get.
Initially, my lord, 2002, the petitioner was appointed as education volunteer under DPP scheme. While we was continuing, 2006 was advertisement was issued for filling of the post of.
Okay.
Well, while he was continuing as education volunteer, an advertisement was issued for filling of the post of Sikha Sayak in 2006, and petitioner offered his candidature, and accordingly he was selected and got appointment in 2006 by tendering his resignation to the post of from the post of education volunteer in 2006. Now continued for last 3 years. In 2009, while the case of the petitioner was considered for junior teacher, because Sikha Sayak scheme after 3 years you are supposed to get junior teacher. At that time, the authority issued a show cause saying that the engagement of the petitioner as Sikha Sayak has been made by securing 16 mark, which is not entitled to. Accordingly, show cause has been issued.
That 16 mark is from where?
For each year. In the advertisement,
Oh, that
4 years,
past experience
grace mark,
points,
grace mark प्रति year 4 mark
point,
मिलिबो.
point.
आज्ञा जेतु मु 2002 ରୁ काम करथली 6 वर्ष
So what's the problem, sir?
Well, the 2 dates and 1 document, Sarju. His appointment date was 18/12/2006. The advertisement was on 14/10/2006.
Appointment date is
18/12/2006.
2006.
So ideally, when his case was considered, he should have received grace marks before this date. Now, my lords, will come to the rejoinder filed by the petitioner at page 23. This is a rejoinder dated. Rejoinder date.
August
17/8/2020.
Who paragraph?
The page 23 is there is an office order directly. Page 23 of that rejoinder.
23.
Right. This is office order dated 4/12/2007.
Just.
Again, my lord will come to the last 4 lines of that document.
The same benefit in favor of persons engaged as education worker under
Again, this will take effect. So by virtue of this document, he is entitled to get those 15 marks. But this document has no retrospective effect. It says this will take effect from the date of issue. So although he is entitled, it can only take effect from 4/12/2007 when he was appointed on 18/12/2006. This is the only point.
So there is no retrospective use.
Again, this is specified in the document itself. It will take effect from that date only. So say that for a human activist, they will get the benefit.
What is it?
The last line of the document, last line. This will take effect from the date of issue.
Date of issue is 4/12/2007.
4/12/2007. But my case covered under Annex 8, page 9 of that very rejoinder. I am relying that resolution that is dated 31st.
No, just even the other way also. Suppose the notification was 4/12/2007, right? He joined on 18/12/2006. So after 1 year, roughly.
My non-serious contention is.
So you mean to say, if suppose if from this date 4/12/2007 is calculated, are you not covering that?
Yes. But my non-senior saying that.
Then what is the retrospective?
Yes, that no meaning.
7 ରୁ କଲେ ବି ତ ସେ ହଉଛି ତାର ତ retrospective କାଇଁ ଆସିବ? Simple logic, sir.
When his case was considered.
Just a minute. When the case was considered, at that time, you was already the 7th thing was governing the field. At the time of appointment, till 12, this 4/12, exclude that part. Exclude that period. Suppose. Otherwise, also he will get the marks. Per year, how much mark you get?
6 per year, 4 mark.
4 mark. In which year you have been considered?
Considered 2006. By 2006, he was appointed as Sikha Sayak. By considering his past service as education volunteer from 2002 to 2004, which 4 years, comes to 16 marks.
No.
Seta mu kouchi. My case is
I
not
was
covered.
thinking of 7
No. My case is not that one. My case
Then
also
the
can-
retrospective will not. This
Just-
will come in effect
Aye.
from the data we should.
Aye, seta mu more case seta nuho.
So you can't. Your case is what?
My case is also kindly annexure 8 page 9 of that very rejoinder.
I was thinking 7
No, no.
onward period ଭାବୁଥିଲି
No.
7th
And up-
ବର୍ଷେ ଛାଡି ବି ଦେଲା still
Aye.
ଆସିବ ଭାବୁଥିଲି.
Page 9 ta kal do. Say rejoinder page 9. I am relying this resolution of the government that was issued prior to my appointment.
ଆରେ ବାବା ଏତେ ସେଇ ଇସ୍ୟୁରେ ରିଲେସନ ଗୁଡା କରନ୍ତି କଣ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଖାଇକିରି କରନ୍ତି ନା କଣ? ଏତେ ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କରିବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋଟେ
କାହିଁକି ସେ also kindly see page 9. So এই rejoinder page 9 ଟା ସେ 23 ଟା place କଲେ ମୁଁ page 9 ଟାକୁ rely କରୁଛି. Because that was issued prior to my appointment as Shiksha Sayak in 2006.
Your 9 I am not getting, sir. What is your
Page 9 of the rejoinder annexure 8. That he has relied.
ଜଣା ପଡୁନି.
ନା ସେ 23 page ଟା ସେ place କଲେ that very rejoinder page 9. এটা annexure করছে annexure 8.
Annexure 8.
Mega to the rejoinder.
ପଢି ହଉନି.
It is a government resolution dated 31st May 2006. This is what also kindly mark. This was issued 31st May 2006. That is prior to the advertisement issued by the authority.
ଏଟା ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲାଗୁ ହଉନି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଟା ବି ଲାଗୁ ହଉନି.
এটা হবো না
କେମିତି ହବ?
because I was appointed pursuant to this resolution.
କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ appointment 2006 ରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା sure ମୁଁ କାଲି ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଦେଖଉଛି. Also kindly see this is the resolution dated 31st May.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ provision ଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା provision ଟା ଦେଖଉଛି. para page 14 para 18. Because I was appointed basing on that very clause para 18.
କୋଉଠି para 18 କଣ ଅଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା page 14 also got my
page 14
para 18.
the purpose
Again, for the purpose of innovation of elementary education, person engaged by the government in
different schemes such as DPEP.
again DPEP. I am concerned with DPEP. Also kindly mark DPEP, EFA, NAP having requisite qualification may be considered for engagement as SS by relaxing their operating limit whenever necessary, and their past or experience will be taken into consideration for the purpose. This is the resolution dated 31st May. Then you also kindly turn my lord annexure 1 series page 15 of the report.
Page 14 paragraph 18. Page 14 of the 14 of the what it is?
Rejoinder.
Rejoinder application.
Clause 18.
Clause 18.
And they has not denied in the counter.
Yes.
Again, just to kindly see then my lord, annexure 1. My right flows from that resolution. I am showing that. Annexure 1 to the writ petition, page 15.
Yes.
Because I was initially appointed, just to kindly mark my lord, office of the district project office.
Right, you doesn't have a right, sir. Don't say right. Don't use loosely. Right, you don't have right in fact.
Because how I am saying, my lord.
I am covered by this. You can see that. No, you don't have right.
My apology. Just to kindly see, page 15. Because my lord.
What right is not so easy. Read a book by Carl Lowenstein on cretology by Carl Lowenstein. Then you not use the right so lightly. Right duties are this is a very important function. So it can't be used so lightly. There's no right flows from there. Don't say this.
Well, page 15 annexure 1. This is the very initial engagement order of the petitioner as education volunteer. You also kindly see the first heading, Office of the District Project Office DPEP Bargarh, and who has issued the project coordinator DPEP Bargarh. Petitioner was engaged as education volunteer under the DPEP scheme on 2/8/2002, and while he was continuing under the said scheme, he applied for the post of Shiksha Sayak and got engagement by availing 16 mark which.
What is wrong, sir? How it is wrong?
And my case is squarely covered by.
If he is harping on that particular provision, he is not wrong. He has rightly got.
I have instruction, and I think this will need one more clarification, because my categorical instruction, this is from 2017. At DPEP and EGS are separate schemes. The EGS scheme is not coming under DPEP, but is an integral part of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. That is what they say.
You are under which scheme?
He says he is under DPEP.
Because my appointment order itself says
My clarification says DPP and EGS are separate schemes. So my lord, for interest of justice, one clarification I'll take based on what he is showing and tell them to justify why.
No. See. In the appointment letter, you see this.
I've seen, I've
Said, engagement order of education volunteer.
Right.
Education volunteer comes under which group? Which scheme?
EGS, Education Guarantee Scheme.
EGS scheme, but under the DPF program. You also kindly see the appointment order
EGS
itself.
is under which program?
My clarifications is there separate.
DPP. Like, the petitioner, the state to take instruction regard, take clarification for the department, whether the petitioner can be considered under the
DPP scheme.
DPP scheme or not.
Yeah, see, what I said also kind of last time they till judgment.
Since he has been appointed as education volunteer, in education volunteer.
From the office of the district project officer, DPP.
DPP
Say, that's what I am also asking to clarify. I'll get-
DPP engage করছে তো
Valid
actually করছিব না
Valid.
Sir, সেই মতো সে appointment দিলে, consider করলে 16 mark দিলে, and you also kindly see the judgment. Sir, it's sorry,
My problem, my lords, my problem, my lords, is this letter.
It has
So
a
that's
counter
why I'm
nine.
saying-
let him take answer.
That
let him take clarification. Clarification ले आए तो हो जाएगा
আমি ওটা দেইছি কোন লাস্ট টাইম ওটা জজমেন্ট দেইছিলি
judgment
এক্সাক্ট
ছাড়া
না এক্স্যাক্টলি অন দি সেম
clarification আনো তাহলে judgment ଦେଖିବା
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ এটা
actually ଗଲା ପରେ judgment ଗଲେ ଠିକ
ସେ 9 ମସିହାରୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ନେଇ ଆସିବି ଜଣ this thing I'll get it. In one week I'll get it.
list the matter on fourth rush. Let's finish it on fourth for final year.
29.
29.
My lord, may I please? Here is a case, my lord, in short, that petitioner pursuant to the advertisement was engaged as Shiksha Sahayak in 2003. While he was continuing, a batch of writ application was filed, my lord, knows the Rasmira Bindhani case judgment, my lord. In the said writ application, a judgment was pronounced, the notification of the government, rather the resolution of the government was declared illegal, where a direction was given by the state government to fill up the vacancy out of the advertise, in excess of the advertised post, my lord. In pursuance to that, petitioner was disengaged in 2006. On the ground that since your case is also covered, you are appointed on in view of that guideline, and your position is not in the merit list, your petition was disengaged. I filed a writ application before this honorable court, since my case is not covered in the
problem କଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି?
Sir.
Problem କହିବି? I should not say what I'm saying. Problem ହେଲା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଛିଙ୍କିଲେ ଆସିଲେ ଯୋଉ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆସିକି ଏଠୁ ପୁଣି ଯାଉଛି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଫର୍ଚୁନେଟଲି ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଆଇଲା ଫେର ଗଲା ଫେର ଆଇଲା ଫେର ଗଲା ଫେର କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ଫେର ଦିସ୍ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ଫେର ଦ୍ୟାଟ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ଆଇ ବୁଲି ବାଲିକି ସେଥିରେ ମରିଯିବ ସେ ତା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରାଇଟ୍ ହେଇଯିବ ସେଥିରେ କଣ କରିବି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ବେଶୀ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ଆଉ ଜଜ୍ ବି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ଏଇ ମୁଁ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ସେ କଣ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଆସିଥିଲା ମାନେ ସେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ କଣ ହେଇଥିବ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସପୋଜାଲ ହେଇଥିବ ସେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ କଣ ସେ ଥାର୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କହିବେ
ଗୋଟିଏ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଏଥିରେ ହେଇଛି ବେଶୀ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଖାଲି
କହିଲେ ଏବେ 2-3 ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କହିସାରିଲେ
first sir batch judge jo read petition jo bindha
what is your case tell me
my case is in short my lord I was re-engaged by in view of re-engaged in view of direction of this honorable court by the authority on the ground that since my case is not covered by that judgment in 2009.
So why are you here today? You were engaged?
While I was continuing after 9 years, again on the same ground, I was again disengaged in 2018.
Why you disengaged?
On the same ground, if two documents my lord see.
The fact that was by mistake, and the mistake was because of the contempt case filed, because of non-disposal of representation. So in a hurried manner, they did not examine it properly, and they
So you admit that?
Yes, that is on record.
So the hurried manner appointed, re-appointed.
Re-engaged. Then they realized that they have made a mistake. Then they issued a so-called saying that no, your case is covered under that particular order, where you should not have been appointed, and that's why they sent a so-called and this is what has happened. There's only one point that my lords have to look at, that is paragraph 28 of the rejoinder. And in fact, there is a clarification also that was sought on that particular paragraph.
28
of the rejoinder. Now, in short, what paragraph 28 says is this: this particular petitioner originally was in the waiting list. He says that people who got selected, they did not join. Because they did not join, in the natural course of things, if I am in the waiting list, I should automatically get that, because that's why the waiting list is formed.
You're right. You're not
He is right. What happened in the meantime, because of that order of the High Court, dated 29/4/2004 in this case Bindani, the waiting list posts were never filled up. The original posts were never filled up from the waiting list. A fresh advertisement was instead issued. Ideally, that should have happened. The waiting list people should have gone to the vacated post when people
Okay.
did not join.
Then
Because of the High Court,
Tapare,
because he was appointed in the, he did not qualify in the first selection. He did not qualify in the second selection also. Throughout, despite having.
and
received
why
grace
is
mark, he
he
did not
claiming
qualify.
then? He's
Again?
claiming because you are in the
Because
waiting
he
list.
is now there because of an interim order of this post. There are 3 or 4 petitions pending here. There is an OA pending also in 2000 since 2019. That interim order is given in that OA. He is continuing because of that. So the tricky point, my lords, is he claims rightfully, in my opinion, that he should have been taken from the waiting list to the position that.
That is his claim.
That is.
You have no claim, sir.
Sir, tikke modu sundan. Did the document annex 1 that on page 18. What my friend is saying, very simply that by showing para 28.
That is your.
Yes, I filed. I can see page 18.
Page
The date
18.
of advertisement is 25/3/2003, my lord.
That's fine, but.
Sir, ମୁଁ ଟିକେ sir, ଦିଟା sir, ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଯିବେ sir.
Good
Sir.
minute. A legal question.
Sir, yes, sir.
Can a person claim to be to get appointed just because he was placed in the waiting list?
No.
No.
No, sir, no.
Is the government not free to advertise afresh?
Exactly. Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Then where do you fit in?
yes.
Yes.
If page 19, kindly see, a merit list was prepared, page 19.
Merit list prepared. Okay, fine. Tapare.
15 posts was advertised.
Hmm.
Well, kindly see from 1 to 15.
Okay.
I was at serial number 18, waiting list number 3.
So,
sir, ଟିକେ sir, sir, ଟିକେ sir, sir, ଟିକେ. Sir, ମୁଁ
what
ଡରି
is
ଯାଉ
the
sir,
sig-
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ
ଯାହା
ଆପଣ
କହିଲେ
sir,
ତାର ନାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ଡରି ଯାଉ sir.
No, I'm asking
No, sir.
question. Maybe
No, sir,
my
no, sir.
way of saying so.
If 3 persons did not join from 1 to 15, if 3 persons did not join from 1 to 15, and 15 posts are lying vacant, and government advertise for 15 posts, government is to fill up 15 posts. Sir, ମୋ କଥା ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ 15ଟା post advertisement
ମୋ
ହେଲା.
କଥା ଆଗରୁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ
Sir,
ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ହେଲା there are 18 posts.
ନାଇଁ 15ଟା post.
Okay,
Advertisement
okay,
is.
15 posts.
Sir.
Okay, 15 posts, and you are in that
ମୁଁ
extra
sir,
3.
ମୁଁ merit waiting 3.
Merit or
ନାଇଁ sir ମୁଁ କହୁ sir waiting list କାଇଁ ହେଇଛି sir
The waiting list is
sir don't join ନ କରିବ.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
Sir, ଯଦି join
waiting list, that is up to them again.
ସେ ହେଇଛି sir. ମୁଁ ସେଇ କଥା କହୁଛି 15ଟା advertisement post ହେଲା.
ସେ 15ଟାରୁ 3ଟା ଜଏନ୍ କଲେନି
4ଟା ଲୋକ join କଲେନି.
ତାପରେ
So ମୁଁ ଯଦି 3 number ଅଛି waiting ରେ, so ମୋ position 15 ଭିତରେ ଆସିଗଲା. ମୁଁ କହୁନି ଯେ ମୁଁ 15ଟା fill up ହେଇଛନ୍ତି, ତାପରେ waiting was
Can you
not.
show me some judgment which say waiting list is you have a vested right if you have in waiting list?
I am within 15, my lord. My submission is I am within 15.
I'm asking, can you show some judgment
Aଜ୍ଞା.
wherein it says a person who is in the waiting list has a vested rights in the if suppose
the
people
entire
don't
post
join.
my lord, my submission would be ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଉତ୍ତର ହଉଛି ଯଦି if entire 15 post will be fill up,
No.
waiting person has no right.
ନାଇଁ, ମୋର question sorry Nito.
Sir.
More question sorry.
Sir.
More question ହେଲା, can a person claim as a vested right if he is in the waiting list, and suppose some people didn't join that year also, can government is the government not free
Sir,
to have to carry forward the same vacancy
vacancy
to the
ଆଜ୍ଞା
next year.
ହେଇପାରିବ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ମନା କରୁନି
Then
କିନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ
କୋଉଠୁ ହେଲା ଆମର
ସାର୍
right?
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦଉଛି ଏଇଟା ସାର୍ ସେ ଜିନିଷ ସେୟା ନୁହେଁ
In that case,
Sir, yes, sir, suppose sir, ତିନିଟା ଲୋକ 1 to 3 position ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, one did not join, ତାମାନେ କଣ entire selection will declare illegal? Sir, ମୁଁ sir ଗୋଟେ
illegal କହୁଛି.
sir ମୁଁ ମୋ
I
ପାଇଁ
am trying to examine.
sir ମୁଁ ଦେବି
I'm not
sir
saying,
judgment
I'm not saying you are right or he is right. I'm saying
sir ମୋର ଖାଲି
legal position ଟା
ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଦେବି ଖାଲି ଏଇଟା sir page 19 ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଜିନିଷଟା ସେୟା ନୁହେଁ ଜିନିଷ ହଉଛି 15ଟା post advertisement ହେଲା
ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲି.
Sir.
I understand. My question is, what is the legal position if such
legal
kind of
position
things
my
are-
lord I will cite judgment if for example
Why not? We have not
sir
got
debi
that.
sir ଆପଣ
Where
tomorrow ରଖନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ପାଖେ if judgment to this extent if one post is advertised in 3 persons name are there even if person 1 is did not join then second person is to be considered in that circumstances if first person did not join choose not to join
that is
sir
generally
sir automatic sir ତାପରେ ନୁହେଁ ଯେ ଆଉଥରେ advertisement ହବ ଏଠି 15ଟା post advertisement ହେଇଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜବ ଦେଲେ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଦେଲେ
କାଢିଦେଲେ
ମତେ appointment କଲେ
ହଁ।
ସେ ଏଇ ରଙ୍ଗ କାଲକୁଲେସନ 15ଟା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି 4ଟା ଲୋକ ଜଏନ କଲେନି ମୁଁ 3 ୱେଟିଂ ରେ ଅଛି ସो ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ମୁଁ 15 ଭିତରେ
ଆପଣ ପୋଷ୍ଟ କାଇଁ ଦେଲେ ତାର
ସେ ମତେ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ ସେ ହଁ ସାର୍
ଆପଣ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ
ତାକୁ ଭୁଲ
ଭୁଲ ହେଲା we suffer now you can't now change his position now you have to ସେଇ ଭୁଲ ଲଗା ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ହେଲା ଭୁଲ ହେଲା ଏବେ ନା କେବେଠୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡିସଏଙ୍ଗେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
ସାର୍ 2018 ମସିହାରୁ 3 ରେ
let them get the job you can't just like hot and cold ଏପଟେ ବି ପଶି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଅଲ୍ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଏତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କାଇଁ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ତ ଥିଲେ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଗଲା
because of the judgment
not which judgment
this honorable court's judgment in
honorable
WPC
court
number
ବଡ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରୁଛି
11748
ଆଉ
ସେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଆମ ଆପ୍ଲିକେବଲ ନୁହେଁ ସେ ପେଜ 19 ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପେଜ 19 ଟା ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆମ
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ
କଣ ଲେଖା କୋଉ କେସ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା
ଖୁସି କେସ୍ ବିନ୍ଧାଣି
ହେଲା
ସେ ବିଜାଣି କଣ ହେଲା କୋଉଠି ବିନ୍ଧିଲା
I'm just giving the gist. What happened was because of the when the first selection list was over and many seats were vacant, the government said that first fill up all the seats from pending applications.
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ସେଗୁଡା ଏଇ ବିନ୍ଧାଣି କଣ ଗଲା କୋଉଠି ବିନ୍ଧିଲା
That is the fact. When the government says that you fill up all these seats from whatever applications are pending, somebody challenged that later in this honorable court.
ତାର in this honorable court କଣ କହିଲା
The honorable court said that that kind of selection procedure without a press advertisement is not sustainable. That was then they went in for a second exam.
wrong
It says
utmost respect
the genesis of this issue is traced back to that particular.
ଏଇ ସବୁ
We are bound to follow that judgment ସେଇପାଇଁ ହେଲା
ସେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଏ କଣ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଜଜ୍ ନା ଡିଭିଜନ ମାନିବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ
ସେ ମାନିବା ଦେବ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ବି ମତେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେବଲ ହବନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ସାର୍ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଫିଲଅପ ହେଲା ସବୁ ହେଇଥିଲା 26/9/2003 ଡେଟ୍ ରେ 26/9/2003 ରେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ରିଜୋଲ୍ୟୁସନ କଲେ ଯେ ତମେ ଯୋଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ ଫିଲଅପ ହେଲାନି ତମେ ଫିଲଅପ କରିଦିଅ ସେଇ ଲିଷ୍ଟରୁ ମେରିଟ ଲିଷ୍ଟରୁ ଅନେବଲ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଲେ नो यू कैन नॉट डू दैट जहाँ फिलअप हेलानी तमे एडवर्टाइजमेंट करी कि फिलअप करिवो तमे सेमिति लिस्ट टू फिलअप करि परिबोनी एंड दैट रिजोल्यूशन वाज क्वास्ड दैट रिजोल्यूशन डेटेड 26/9/2003 बट मेरिट लिस्ट वाज प्रिपेयर्ड 3/7/2003 दैट इज द पॉइंट आई एम शोइंग माय लॉर्ड 3/7/2003 merit list was prepared my name is fine place state government passed resolution on 26/9 after 2 months so that resolution is no way connected to me can you see 2 documents so the resolution and the judgment of the honorable court is no way the resolution says the vacancy position you fill up without advertisement honorable court said no you cannot do that if any vacancy you have to make advertisement but my merit list is dated 3/7/2003 resolution came 26/9/2003 after 2 months so by that time I was in merit and 4% did not join I was within 15 so I was accordingly appointed that is why in 2009 in view of the direction of this court they consider a reappointment
9 years they have served for 9 years
ଆଜ୍ଞା 11 ବର୍ଷ
11 ବର୍ଷ
3 ରୁ 6 ଫେର 9 ରୁ 18
I don't know why this court has also considered in that light very unfortunate
3 ରୁ 6 9 ରୁ 18
ये भूल भाल ऑर्डर सब लोक 11 वर्ष ऑटोमेटिक माने that to did have
ଆମେ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ ସେ
The second selection when the advertisement was published he took part in that
କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ ନକରି ବାଟ କଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତା କ୍ୟା ନା କରତା
ଆମ ପାଖେ ଅପସନ କଣ କରିବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା?
ଯେ ଭିତରେ ଯେ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ ସେ କରିବ
ଆମ ପାଖେ ଅପସନ
That also we received, but did not qualify.
ଆମେ ଅପସନ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା? ଆମେ ତ
କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ ସେ
I am only placing the fact. Which is why I placed paragraph 828 first, saying that he was there. Ideally should have been posted to that vacant place, but this is what has happened.
after 11 years you have you have to throw just like a मक्खी से फेंके
I'm
जैसे
not
फेंक
saying
दो ऐसे
anything. I'm not saying
ऐसे फेंक दो
Yeah, fact also recorded and clear.
not good give a good note
sir
give a good note
sir
you also give a note I will see I'm fixing it
अरे क्लोज कर दो मैं within 2 days
क्लोज करेंगे और नोट ना दिला मैं क्लोज
Sir,
कर
sorry.
तापर नोट के दियंती नहीं ये भी क्लोज कर दूंगा
Give me a week or 10 days.
first for note taking nothing
only for note my lord
खाली नोट पाई
only for note
अगर नोट दो ना हाथी समझे मैं
No, only for note
प्राय मुझे जो नोट देबे के देबे नहीं तार मु पके रखी थी नोट नहीं फास्ट पर कहली
एक नौ
एक नौ
September, we already on the 20th.
ଆମେ ଆଉ 7 ଦିନ ଅଛି
कितने दिन लग गए
Admission is board India, so I need some time to study.
सत्ताई ना रॉकेट साइंस पेपर को चंद्रयान नोट बनेबे ना कौन बने नोट टे बने हाले दिन 2 दिन लागियो बने देबे ए छुट्टी पड़ियो 2 दिन
ଛୁଟି ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
काम କିଛି କରିକି
ଲୋକଟା ନାହିଁ ଚାକିରି
କିଛି କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା ଏତିକି ଫାଇଲ କୁ ବହୁତ ଏମିତି ଫାଇଲ ଦିନକୁ 5 ଗୁଣ ପଢିଦେବି ବସିକି ନୋଟ ବି କରିଦେବି କଣ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ଏ ଫାଇଲ 2 ପେଜ 4 ପେଜ ତ ବନଉଛନ୍ତି କୋଉ ଲମ୍ବା ଲେଖି ପକଉଛନ୍ତି
Either for a counter, rejoinder, reply to rejoinder, addition.
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କି ବଡ କଥା ରହନ୍ତୁ କର ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଟାଇମ ଦେବିନି
for note my lord
ୟଙ୍ଗ ଲୋକ ଏତେ କାମ ନ କଲେ କେମିତି ସବୁ ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଲେ ହବ ଅଧିକା କାମ କରିବେ ନା You seems to be very young, so you should do work, some more work. Next.
Item 30.
मतलब एक नौ for note
For note only. Properly.
आगे
ये जो
with that citation
cursory नहीं.
नहीं properly with that citation my lord that citation
And with the date wise reference first list of date then note. Note पूरा एकदम जिस क्षेत्र आस्तो है. ऐसे गप्पा नहीं. Yes पूरा है reflect होगा.
टिके जब पुना আছে टिके 2-3 पेज कारण एते मोटा पुना फाइल पुना
2 पेज 5 पेज 5 पेज भीतर अधिक नहीं.
So item 30 I filed a counter and serving a copy. Whatever short.
अपन लोग देखले सर्व करन दिन. वैसे रेस्ट काई मोर ऑर्डर टा फॉलो करूनी.
एटा आगुरु फाइल हिजे ऑर्डर आगुरु.
हां if जोड़ी की जाउची जाओ मोर जुडिशियल ऑर्डर nobody can stop it.
This was filed earlier, that's why
जोड़ी जाउची जाओ.
I'll file this in on.
This is not done. वो मन इच्छा एठी आज्ञा मैं फाइल करछि. एतु का 3 दिन आगे फाइल करली. Next.
In this regard, I will file rejoinder and let it come interim order to continue.
Okay. Interim order to continue. Okay. Asu 14th ras. Next.
May I please your lordship?
Item 31.
May I please your lordship? My lord, in this case, your lordship had directed to the opposite parties to explain why this mistake of not following the ORB Act was done.
Instruction.
Mistake of fraud.
ORB Act.
What the complaint of the petitioner was that the percentage of reservation that should have been allocated to SCBC was much more. The state did that.
बिंदानी.
No.
बिंदानी बहुत लोग को बिंदानी
No, it doesn't have any relationship with, it doesn't have, my lord, no, that judgment has no relation with this case, your lordship. My lord, that judgment pertains to the recruitment that took place after a particular date. Now, your lordship, this case pertains to the confirmed appointments prior to that date. There were 499 posts to be fulfilled, which has not been disputed, which has not been prohibited in.
What is the case about?
The case is in filling up these 499 posts, The opposite party said that we have completed filling it up. That is not disputed. Those who are appointed against this 499 posts, they are not going to be disturbed in any way. They are not affected by the HCS bill. But that is wrong. They have not filled up 499 posts. They have filled up 459 posts. 40 posts have been left vacant by wrongly calculating the ORV allocations. They have by mistake given 40 more seats to SCBC and left them vacant. They have not been fulfilled it. By the accurate calculation, 10 more should have gone to the SC, to which my clients belong. 10 more should have gone to the STs, and 20 more should have gone to the general category.
So you are saying since posts are there, post was there.
And they say that these have been all filled, but 40 are left vacant due to the wrong calculation. They have allocated 40 more seats by mistake to SCBC, but
Which
kept
year?
them vacant.
This is which pertaining to which year?
2003.
3.
2003.
My lord.
That is what, that my only point.
2003 रे चालची.
Yes, my lord.
आपण
That's
पुढे file करशील आपण.
my lord. That's the issue. The thing is,
That's the issue. What?
my lord, that's what
2003 case.
that's what I'm submitting. The thing is, they claim that they have filled all the posts. But after that, this history has been the
No, when did
imbroglio.
you come to know this?
That's what I'm saying. I came to know about it in 2020 itself.
Why was your Kumbhakarna sleep?
No, not Kumbhakarna sleep.
Yeah.
I was engaged. It's not that I have been out of service.
You are there.
Yes, I am there.
You are continuing.
Yes, I'm continuing.
Today also continuing.
Yes.
So what is your problem?
Only that they are not regularizing us. They are saying that you are covered by the Hirshikesh Bindani thing, which is not correct. I have been.
You are continuing as?
I'm continuing in the same post as Sikha Sahak, and then no retrenchment, nothing. Only that if the ORV Act is properly calculated, I should be considered within that 499.
Yeah, ST.
SC. So they have not given me the post. Those 40. But yeah, 40 seats they have miscalculated 40. But my clients are 7. No. My clients are 7. In this 7 SC people. 7 genuinely SC people, they should have been regularized. They are claiming that they have completely filled the post, but 40 posts have been wrongly kept vacant. Instead of being allocated to the SCs 10, ST 10, and General 20. The beautiful coincidence is they have allocated 40 more posts to the SCBC category, but appointed exactly the number of posts that is legally due to the SCBC category. They have allocated for 174. But they have filled only 134, which is legally entitled. So this 40 posts is miscalculated and it leads only to deprivation, but to nobody's advantage. These posts are lying vacant. They are claiming that we have filled it up, but they're lying vacant. They should have gone to SC, ST, and I should have been regularized against that post. That's the only point.
So if that goes, that what should have been your date of regulation?
The 6 days from the date of my exact joining. That's the
6 years.
Yes, the way all the Sikha Sahaks are
In
regularized.
2003. So it should have been 2009.
Done. Everybody has been done, but I have not been done because of this calculation.
You are 40 like you.
My lord.
You are alone or 49?
7.
39.
7 petitions. 7 petitions belonging to SC category. Baki I have done that, but these people, everybody should have been, a direction should be given to give the 40 people.
Revenue loss.
No, obviously, not mine, but at least 7 people should get it because they are genuinely covered.
Take instruction.
My lord, they have taken, that is the instruction, 2 times, 3 times. That is the instruction.
Exact query, my lord, then I'll take the nature of.
Exact queries, if the post was vacant, the people were continuing, why did you regularize? That is the point.
They are not regularizing, they are saying that we are not covered because the wrong calculation of SC, ST category.
Wrong calculation पर क्या रही?
Same, that's what the point.
तो अपन wrong calculation why these people suffer? अपन तो ले से मत बना. यहाँ किस तरह नहीं. इधर न्याय है.
They are not being regularized by wrong calculation. That's the point.
And after SC, ST को regularize, SC पिला को regularize करे अपना दायित्व.
Because wrong calculation we are being excluded. That is the point.
Law and Council for the state to take instruction on the fact that the petitioners were they were appointed in 2003.
My lord.
And accordingly they should have been regularized in 2009.
My lord.
However, they were not regularized due to
faulty calculation of ORV
faulty calculation of the ORV.
principles.
Interim order is also my lord, my there. is a
Eh,
very-
Rohan to my interim order. ORV due to faulty calculation, an application of the
Reservation
ORV rule,
policy.
ORV rule. Hala. Then, okay.
40 seats have been wrongly allocated to SCBC and kept vacant.
He further submits that since there are 40 seats which have been wrongly allocated to SCBC
Category.
candidates belonging to the SCBC category, then
Then those posts have been kept vacant,
which were also kept vacant,
depriving 10 from SC, 10 from
Depriving-
ST,
depriving 10 from SC and 10 from
ST and 20 from
ST
general category.
and 20 from
General category.
general category.
In proper allocation, I would have.
The methods adopted by the government is detrimental to the interest of the present petitioners. Hence, the government is directed to, the Council of the States is directed to take instruction regarding the deprivation of the present petitioners from the ambit of regulation. List the matter on 5th September.
Deeply obliged.
Okay, next.
32.
32. Bajaj Finance.
And for the petition.
You are for the Bajaj Finance?
My lord.
Huh?
My lord.
एक ना लिख रखो ये बोल दो बजाज फाइनेंस वोटर के हिसाब से कोई लाड़े लोग नहीं ना लिख रखो और नंबर जानते
8458. 9720.
एरी अपन प्राइवेट फाइनेंस लोग नहीं बोली कौन सी तो मुझे देखी रखी राइट एंड चिपकाओ वहाँ पे चिपकाओ हाँ लिख दे so you call him whenever there Bajaj Finance is required.
Other panel advocates are there. my lord.
We know you, forget it, other candidate. अब तुम कोई वर्षन कुछ तुम लोग कोई भी कोई वो आया कोर्ट डाकिले हमें जीवु ना हमें अदर थे तो जे था तो मते कोर्ट डाकिले मुझे लिख दे I know you and call you खत्म ऐसे कथा कोड़ा है हाँ so what is the case?
My lord, here, my lord, the petitioner challenging the award passed by the District Legal Services Authority under the Public Utility Act, awarding compensation against the petitioner for not granting NOC. And
For
the
not
N-
granting NOC.
NOC for the
He has
vehicle.
paid, he has paid the entire amount.
No, he has not paid one EMI.
And how could you grant NOC then?
So that is the point, which was placed.
Now you tell, you, what do you say?
Plus just
How-
in case what is on record, Milos, it is
Just good time, खाली आगे मैं record पछे पे प्लेस करी आगे already कौन?
Milos, what is the admitted fact I will place?
Oh, मते सीधा गुट्टे आंसर दें तो ऐसे आगे ते गप्प करो
In 2005, I have
I am not going to all this things. Simple कौन तू? गुट्टे EMI अपना बाकी चिल्ला
no, Milos, it was deducted from my account, and it is on record that it was deducted from my account. Look, it is on record. Your Lordship, I'll just give a brief note of what the fact says, Milos. 2005, I availed a loan. In 33 equal installments and EMIs, I was to pay the whole of the amount. And I paid an advance, I paid in blank checks, 33 blank checks to them so that they can encash it in every month. 33 checks I given them.
Post-dated check.
Post-dated checks.
Okay.
Now they.
Don't say blank check. This is a post-dated check. Use right word, यार. आप लोग बैंक में बैंक का
I may pardon you, I may pardon.
bank lawyer should use right word.
I may pardon you. Plus then they encashed all of the 33 checks and the 32nd check that was to be encashed Milos on.
That is the penultimate check.
No,
No.
33 was the penultimate check.
No, ultimate
33.
is 33 ना 33 पूरा total.
33
The penultimate है नहीं छेड़ा.
Milos.
आता पूर्व डट penultimate no ना
It
कौन.
was to be encashed on 11/4/2008 Milos. Now what they did, they never intimated that what they say as per their term. They said that that check was returned as rebooked. The term that they use at rebook.
Hold on. I'm asking a simple question. When the 33 number check was deposited with the, they just presented for the bank, what happened?
It was returned with rebooked. in remarks rebooked.
What is the rebook?
32nd.
Huh?
32nd check which was presented, it was returned with a remarks that it
Rebook
rebooked.
mean?
So that term I also could not find. The
Rebook.
rebook. So that is why there was no debit from the account of the borrower.
Just a minute, let me find out what is the word rebook.
Rebook.
You must be knowing in your insurance parlance, man.
Rebooked.
They didn't say it was dishonored or bounced. They said that it was.
That's what I'm
Rebooked
this new word.
and amount was not encashed.
No, defective signature lekhibe rebook is something else must be.
Signature differs. Signature differs.
Rebook, BO.
BO, okay. Statement rebooked.
Rebooking is the process of altering an existing lease loan transaction due to some financial change in the deal structure. Rental payment change, credit tax extension due. Change of due date. That what change is. Rebook means the change of due date. Jodi simtia situation hela. What is that? Is it not your duty to inform him?
No, it was the duty of the.
Is it not the duty of the?
It was my duty to inform
Bhai,
him.
ऐसा problem हुआ, please give a better check. इतनी तो कोई बात नहीं. Then why didn't you intimate him?
No, but thereafter we have intimated through notice.
There is a also with the bank or insurance company or finance NBFC. There is a concept called duty and care.
Yes.
I mean, you don't take care of your.
No, that is our duty. That
but
was
you have
casted
not-
upon us.
Why did you issue
And we
notice?
issued,
You should have said, okay, bhai, ऐसा
we
तो-
issued a notice that claiming the amount, but he has not cleared that amount.
That is not the fact. With my humble submission.
Where is the notice you have issued?
When a notice was given,
Let me kindly pay those space.
Want to, why are you worried? So he's a petitioner. I'm getting clarification for him.
notice was given on
Our
20
anxiety
under-
kills and our anxiety kills again and again.
I bow. I bow.
Don't do like this.
I bow.
Take a bus, you sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You have chair and don't have chair. ଅଛି ନା ବସନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ସିନା ଚେୟାରରେ ବସିଲେ ଭଲ ହବନି ଆଉ ଛିଡା ହେଇକି ବଡ ବଡ ହଉଛ ଖାଲି. Yes. Now tell.
well, loan notice was given.
No,
on-
I am asking when the check was rebooked.
Immediately we have not given.
Immediately, what is the notice you
No,
sent?
immediately we have not given.
After how
Later
many
on,
days?
after the.
After how many days?
Well, lapse of.
So we can't.
No, my lord.
Mistake on your part, sir. Sir, any bank, any financial institution, when such kind of thing, immediately the duty is.
Thereafter, what has
issued a
happened?
Notice immediately.
What has happened? Thereafter, we have issued NOC in his favor.
Issued NOC?
And in his favor, during the pendency, we have issued NOC. So thereafter, my
कोई
lord,
देता है तो आज एनओसी नहीं जा मुझे पैसा दे दे पता
we have given the NOC.
प्रेस चेक ते दे दे लो कोई वाला खत्म.
No, we have given the NOC.
प्रॉब्लम कोठी.
No, we have waived the penal interest, we have waived that amount, and we have issued the NOC.
Then what is the problem?
Still then, the legal services authority awarded
Legal
20.
से गल्ला कौन पैसे?
When we did not issue the NOC, he went to the.
तो से beyond the limit so दे दे what?
Oh, yes.
कौन कहला छे?
So, even though we have pendency of the case, we have issued the NOC, they have awarded, my lord, compensation of rupees 20,000.
20,000 बजाज फाइनेंस में कौन दे ही दो ना.
20,000. My lord, we have waived this amount, and we have also, my lord, given the NOC and.
21 ରୁ 23 ଯାଏ ଚାଲିଲା 20,000 40,000 ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରି ସାରିଥିବ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ. କାଇଁ 20,000 ଦେଇ ଦେଲେ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା. Why are you unnecessary? ଆପଣ ତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ 40,000 ନେଇ ସାରିଥିବେ.
ନା
ଆଉ 3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ନେଇ ନା ଏତେ ଡେଟ୍ ଲାଗୁଛି.
Date wise yet in manner, ଥରେ bill ହବ ସଇଲା ପରେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
କେତେ
ପାଇନି।
bill?
7,500.
7,500. ଥରେ ମାତ୍ର.
ମାତ୍ର।
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. give a notice. The fees is very abysmally low, which cannot just satisfy my standard.
My lord, the fact remains
It is below my
that they
standard.
are paying the advocate fees in different states, for Western different, for Eastern different. For Odisha is different, completely
you have
different.
less
And
bargaining.
for Odisha, my brother Tuna Sahu is also sitting here. The lowest fee is fixed for Odisha.
Do you know why?
I do not know.
Do you know
Because I also know.
No,
Because we are ready to do it at a lesser price than the present price.
Yes. You have lesser bargaining strength because another 3-4 brother will approach. अरे हम तो उसे नीचे भी कर देंगे भाई दे दो फिर आ गया फिर that's why price is always low.
My lord, the only 20,000 award and 5,000 cost, my lord. And that is to be paid with 10% interest.
अपन एनओसी पाई गले ना तो फिर क्या है
Just I will appraise.
रोज आओ अप्रेस करो दरकार नहीं
Just
किसी नहीं अपन एनओसी
2 or
पहले
3 minutes I will not
no
take more than
nothing
4
just more answer दे दो एनओसी पहले
during the pendency. During the
पचाली
pendency
मुका
of the
पचाली
case.
yes or no एनओसी पहले
Yes.
yes केबे पहले
During the pendency 2018 रे पाइली मिला.
केबे पाइबा कथा
मु पाइया कथा 2008 रे 2008 when the debt was clear. Milords, just I will appraise they went
8 years after
8 रे they
8
went,
years after
yes Milords, they went into a
My lord,
stubborn.
I am not interfering that you pay 20,000 दे ही दो यार
Interest part में भी
सब किसी नहीं कितने इंटरेस्ट कितने है वो
10% interest award.
कितने है वो कितने है वो टोटल मिलने कितने है वो
से भी आवरी एबे from the date of ये हला
टोटल कितने है वो कौन आदमी अरे you are very calculative आदमी कैसे नहीं
applicant till my lord actually paid, my lord, that will be around 50 to 60,000.
टोटल
Another.
ओके इंटरेस्ट पर छाड़ो वेबर हो गया है ना वे वे ज्यादा लोगों को नहीं है ना
25,000 back.
Because we have 25,000.
ଆଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ ସେଠିକି ଯିବ ଲୋନ ଦେବେ ତ ଭଲ ରିଲେସନ ରଖିଥିବ ଆଉ ବେଶୀ କୋର୍ଟ ଦେଲେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଲୋନ ଦେବେନି ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବହୁତ ଦରକାର ପଡେ ଏଇ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସ ମାନେ ହିଁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରନ୍ତି ସରକାରୀ ବାଲା
I was
ଦେବେନି
deprived of my home loan because of their remark in my bank account. I was deprived of my home loan.
That's why.
But
it,
there
it
was
helped you in the right time to wire unnecessary quarreling with him. Okay, let go. Particular give a short note. Okay, I'll short note.
My lord, may
Disposing
now,
it up
right
with
now,
a gift.
dispose it off with a direction that the award
Give me a short note, na? Kali. Put a note.
कल नहीं, next
एक
week,
page
next
note.
week,
One pager.
next week,
One pager.
next week.
You give me the page. One page you can.
Aye.
क्या बता
28, 28.
Okay, 28. 28. 28 lagi bani right? Just reserve कर दो. Today, but he'll forget it.
No.
Next.
33.
33.
May I please, Lordship? It's a very small matter, Lordship, and I have come up with it.
Small matter.
Small matter, Lordship. In fact, Lordship is a contractual employees. They are Gram Sevaks, they are paying only 6,000 and they're working under the
What is
Gram.
the issue?
Issue, they have been disciplined. Lordship, kindly come to annexion 9, page 56.
Why?
Lordship, because Lordship, he's not maintained the records. Lordship, that is the only allegation.
That is your protocol, I think.
In fact, Lordship.
Maintaining the record is one of your protocols.
Definitely, but I have fairly admitted, Lordship. Kindly see the order, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see page 9. I'm not joining issue on that level. Lordship, kindly annexion page 56. Whereas, Lordship got it.
56.
56. Order of disengagement. 25, 1 or
The order is itself applicable.
Please wait. We know everything. We know.
Okay, 56.
56. Lordship,
Allegation of irregularities.
Irregularities, that's saying, Lordship. So, for my part is concerned, Lordship, can come to whereas the.
Your name is?
My name is Lordship. Sujit Kumar Sahu, Lordship.
Sujit Sahu.
GRS.
Sushil Sahu is there.
No, Sujit Kumar Sahu, Lordship.
Oh,
Annexion
Sujit
9.
Kumar. Yeah, Sujit Kumar.
Sujit Kumar Sahu, Lordship. But Lordship, can the observation of the collector, it starts from Lordship, last but 3 paragraph, Lordship, whereas in the written statement. Whereas in the written statement dated 13/8/21, he has admitted that he has not maintained the MJ case records properly due to other engagement. Also, he has admitted that payment has been made without measurement. Lordship, in fact, Lordship, I have been assigned to different gram panchayats.
बाहर खड़ा क्यों आवाज कर रहे?
Different gram panchayats. So admittedly, that is part of my Lordship. And I have admitted in the Mingle Lordship order of 2022, though I have taken other grounds that at that time I was under the control of the Election Commission and the collector has no authority. Different grounds I had taken, but now I pray Lordship, can it be remanded to collector to reconsider the issue, Lordship? Because now the time has changed, Lordship. He will consider my case. Only my limited grievance, Lordship, let it be remanded to collector to reconsider. It will be considered, Lordship.
No, why?
Because Lordship, in fact, Lordship, this grammatical severs.
No. Why? What is the necessity for sending it back?
But in fact, Lordship, I have been punished, Lordship, very strongly. I have punished because I am now without employment since last 2 years. Though they are married, and what is my fault? I have not properly maintained some of the records. That is the
That
only.
is fault.
Definitely.
That is a blunder.
I quite agree, Lordship. But my humble submission, I have punished Lordship sufficiently, but it cannot be a continuous process, Lordship. If I will rectify my mistake, definitely I will further not commit the same mistake, Lordship. So only Lordship
You
kindly.
approve the collector.
Yeah, Lordship. That is my submission, Lordship.
Only may I?
Yes.
There is an appeal provision. The appellate authority can consider also the same thing.
The person who has passed order, let him go there.
Yes.
Let him consider. He will consider. Appeal against whom?
Order of the collector.
Order of the collector.
Before the
Before the direct special. But what my experience I'm saying, Lordship.
Then
Lordship, I am saying, Lordship, there is reason, Lordship. I have appeared in a number of cases, and because of this submission, your Lordship is sending matter to the director. Director is again sending this matter to collector to reconsider. Again, we are approaching the collector, and we know the trick, Lordship.
But how? I think you are a lawyer, not a horoscope reader.
So far, Lordship, considering our experience.
How do you know that this case will be happening?
No.
Maybe.
Lordship, kindly consider one aspect, Lordship. He's a poor employee and a contractual.
I know that.
Why you, Lordship, travel to this place to another place? We know apex court of the state, Lordship. Can it Article 226 can be exercised by remanding this matter to consider it a small issue, Lordship? So why you travel there? Why you travel there, Lordship?
Let the collector consider. Because see, unnecessary he'll be again, he'll go there and relegate to there. A poor employee will how many times he'll consider
Lordship, that
If he doesn't consider again, he'll have to.
the district collector is directed to the petitioner is directed to approach the district collector.
Lordship.
Which collector?
Anugul, Lordship.
Collector Anugul. With the fresh representation.
Yeah, Lordship.
And if the district collector find it worth considering.
Yes.
In the petition. And counsel the petitioners submit that he has been punished for a petty offense like not maintaining the records, which would have been dealt otherwise, even without removing him from service. Since the petitioner has already suffered by the order of removal dated
25/1/2022.
And he has remorse enough and wants to reform further, not to repeat such mistake again.
That's not the only ground. Payment irregularity.
This is, I'm reading the order of the collector. Or I am reading the order of the collector, whatever.
Order-
Then the collector does not appear his mind.
से बाकी जिनसे क्या पड़ेगा?
Then your
Lordship,
collector.
it's there in the, all the
Why?
inquiry report states that. those things. Clear observation that, which is why.
नहीं अच्छा एक देखो नहीं देखो छाड़ दे
representative-
लेकिन देखा से कथा लेखा
Lordship, मैं
स्मॉल खाली सुनो
they are vehemently opposing any
सेटा
contractual employee, don't
बिकॉज़
know.
जब स्मॉल ऑफेंस कर ली
Lordship,
कौन से लेखन हैला छाड़ दे
On its own merits, otherwise.
obviously
You will be happy that if he will not be
And
engaged.
with this-
Huh?
and
Very
supervision.
excessive submission of making.
he
You are happy
he
about
wants
that.
to-
What
he
is-
wants to sorry he undertakes to he undertakes to
Yes.
not to commit such mistakes in future. Also, considering the above submission, the petitioner is directed to approach the collector Hon'Ble with a representation, and he shall consider in accordance with law.
Lordship, grateful Lordship, grateful Lordship.
जाओ कान भर दो
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. That is happening, Lordship.
If we consider next.
No, it is happening, Lordship. People are approaching, they are considering.
Okay.
34.
Good, kind of.
34, the petitioner is to file rejoinder.
Next,
Petitioner was to file rejoinder, last date they taken time.
Rural Research and Development Council, who is the petitioner? A Ashini.
Mr. Appot.
Huh?
Mr. A.K. Appot.
कहीं अपॉट प्रॉपर्टी कहीं ना थी अपॉट मॉर्निंग महंता नहीं कहीं नहीं नॉन अपेस फॉर द you are there आपण के कोडा
42.
पाखर अछन बरा नॉन अपेस list the matter on 30th October
35. In this case, we have to file counter matter. Counter has not been filed.
State
Matter.
to file a counter within 10 days, list the matter on 18th September.
36.
36,
May I please?
all Odisha Chess Association
Yes.
कोड गले
I am for the petitioners, my lord.
जिसके sample the opposite party.
के
Election
what
officer.
is the main all Odisha Chess Association बोले कोड main लोग तो सी सेन वाला के decide करी
से appear करछन.
नहीं कोड
Already appear कर last time what time no थे mo absent.
के आपण अछि के अछि आपण को नाली के आपण चेस एसोसिएशन पे
Not the counter.
चेस एसोसिएशन पे आपण
The counter दे दियो.
give a counter ladies
And to, I mean permitted to file it in the.
आपण फाइल करना आंदी
कोर्ट रे दे दो ना.
ना कोर्ट रे बिल्कुल ना सी सिस्टम अवेलेबल ना रजिस्ट्री कम में अछि जान जो रजिस्ट्री फाइल करन
एटा urgency बोली
अर्जेंसी
नहीं.
कोर्ट रे फाइल करबे
नहीं मु तो petitioner ପାଇଁ.
थे लास्ट मोमेंट
I am for the
ऑर्डर पास होती
I am for the petitioner.
निहाती फाइल करी नाले कोन लास्ट मोमेंट रे के फाइल पढी पारि ना आपण देबे कॉपी से पढी पारिबेनी आ सेटा करिछि केवल गवर्नमेंट पई गवर्नमेंट सबले हैबिट कि लास्ट मोमेंट रे फाइल टा धरे देबे आज्ञा नियंतु आपण तो अभ्यास नहीं लोगों को देवाटा आगरु you have just lost that culture जैसे पे से ऑर्डर पास करछि जे 3 दिन पूर्व मिनिमम देबे सो दैट कम से कम जण पढी के आसीबो लास्ट मोमेंट धरे देबे से केन पढिबो से मिनिमम गवर्नमेंट करछि नहीं गवर्नमेंट काउंसिल मान को 5-5 हजार कॉस्ट कला सब कॉस्ट पाई जिवे सब नहीं
election येटा.
इलेक्शन के अछि
नहीं election सरला हम ऑफिस रिज्यूम करंतु.
इलेक्शन असैलानी की
इलेक्शन सरिलानी से सब पिटिशनर 2-3 के अलाउ कले इलेक्शन दवा लगी वोट दवा लगी पिटिशनर ट्रेजर
आसो इलेक्शन सैलानी कोन तरह अछि
28
1 तारीख इलेक्शन सैलानी कोन तरह अछि
ना ना इलेक्शन माने इलीगली टू.
अरे सर देखियो इलीगल लीगल से देखियो इलेक्शन तो सरी बस किछि इंटरव्यू मोड दरकार
ना
नहीं
इलेक्शन सरलानी पर से एई हमको 2 जन को अलाउ न करी की वोट देलेनी
ପିଟିସନ 1 ପାଇଲା 10ଟା, ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ପାଇଲା 11ଟା, 2-3 କୁ ଆଲାଉ କଲେନି ଭୋଟ ଦେବାକୁ, ସେମାନେ ମତେ ଭୋଟ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ, ତେଣୁ ଓବିୟସଲି ମୋର 12 ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା, ସେ 11 ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା, ତେଣୁ 2 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ଲାଗି ପଡିକି ଡିବାର କଲା ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଜିତେଇବା ଲାଗି। ଆଉ କାହିଁକି ନା ସେ ଯୋଉ ଟ୍ରେଜର ପୋଷ୍ଟ 7-8 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା, ତେଣୁ 2 ଜଣ ଯାକ ଯେତେ ଡେରି ହବ ସେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ
ଏ ଦିଟାକୁ allow କରିବି ଆଉ ଭୋଟ ଯିଏ ଯାହାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ତାକୁ କରିବି, ତା ଯିଏ ଜିତିବ
ହଁ,
ସେ
ହଁ।
ଜିତିବ, ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ ସର୍ଟ
ଏବେ ବି ସର୍ଟ କରିଦେବି।
ସର୍ଟ ଦଉଛି 28 ରେ ଆସୁ 28 ଏ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ allow କରିଦେବି 28 ରେ, ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ ଯାହାକୁ ଭୋଟ ଦେବେ ସେ ହେବ winner। ଏଇଟା କଣ rigging?
No, that is not the fact.
Democracy is under threat in your organization.
100% maintained.
Maintain.
They have not produced the identity card. That is the only reason of department.
सब वो देखिबिनी।
Yes, yes. And another part is
रुहନ୍ତୁ maintain।
election petition is to be filed before the civil court. There is a provision. Yes, my lord. Amended provision section 11A.
ओ सेदिन आर्ग्यू करी।
Oh, yes.
One powder ready करी।
Election petition before the civil court in respect of the GP election.
Yes. There is a provision. There is provision with the amendment act. In
society
society.
ରେ କଣ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ, ହେଲା ଦେଖିବେ ତ। Okay, next.
37.
Next.
On behalf of Mr. Das, may be taken up 1 week after my
One week
reason,
after? Okay, one week after. Date दे दे। 5th दे दे, 5th दे दे।
Okay.
Next.
38.
38 देख लो 11 का कौन है जिससे
Last time also, I think nobody appeared in this.
non appears last occasion so non appears that it seems that petition not interested to proceed matter can be dismissed non prosecution
39.
next 39
39.
से विषय
Say, last time observation. Yes, my lord. Same.
No, no.
same order कर दिया next जाओ
40.
40
time counter 5 times 6
counter
times.
देवे नहीं
And
counter sir
let 1 week's time. I'll.
Sufficient time.
आज cost पड़ियो अपन कितना ले टाइम
ଯାଇଛି ତ
कितना ले
After-
महांती कितना ले
After 2018, my lord, this is last month.
16 ମସିହାର ରିଟ୍ ଟା 16 ମସିହା ରିଟ୍ ଟା
ଏବେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ କେବେ नहीं
5-7.
5-7 दिन
आगे दे दिन टाइम
ଆଗରେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ
लास्ट नेक्स्ट
ଆଜ୍ଞା
41.
Listing.
Right, your lordship, my lord. I am Vishal Puri, my lord. This is a case regarding the promotional benefit to the post of the supervisor.
ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଏ ଓଡିଶା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଲଅ ରେ କି ପୁରୀରୁ ଯାଇକି ଖାଲି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମ ପୁରୀ କଣ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଲଅ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ପୁରୀ ନାଡେ ଖୋଲା ହେଇଛି
Sir, session style ଥିଲା ତ
ସେସନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲରେ ଆପଣ ସେଦିନ ପୁରୀରୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଖାଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ତ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜିକାଲି ଆଉ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଯିବି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ପରା ରହିବି।
ହଉ
Sir,
ହଉ
sir,
କଣ କେସଟା କଣ
Sir, case ଟା ହେଲା the petitioner joined as Anganwadi worker 11/7/23 and TPS was held on 13
କେବେ
on 11/7/23.
83
He joined as Anganwadi worker. Anganwadi worker on
ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ
My lord, DPS was held on 13/4/11 for promotional review post of the supervisor. He is eligible to get promotion with effect from 13/4/11 because his name was recommended and other got promotion, but petition was debarred. So accordingly,
Debarred for what reason?
reason without any reason he was also debarred. And when he approved the
Debarred कहीं कोले
My lord, I've already filed my counter, my lord, in this case.
Why did you debar him?
My lord, the petitioner has at the time of has not submitted the certificate, cause certificate, and due to the order of the Honorable Court on 30th May 2011, the matter was stayed. Stayed, my lord.
To stay ହେଲା apply कर दो stay ହେଲା बोले apply कर दो कौन stay ହେଲା
The appointment of supervisors, my lord. What my
but why did the question is why did you debar her? Question is what is the reason for debarring?
My lord, the debarring, he has not produced the certificate.
Sir, you have not produced the certificate, is it true?
My lord, it is false, my lord. Because as per the your lordship sir,
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିଲେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିଲେ ଟିକେ?
my lord, as
This
per
is the
your,
amendment in my counter and he has not filed any rejoinder affidavit to that effect.
so I may be permitted to receive the counter.
Okay, file a rejoinder then, file a rejoinder. File a rejoinder by 5th September. है ना?
Oblige.
List the matter on 11th. 11th. Next.
42.
2 weeks time may be granted for rejoinder. I have just
2 weeks time
got
to
the
file rejoinder. List the matter on 22nd September. Next.
outline.
43.
My lord, in this case, challenge the applied order. And in this case, only 1 point.
कहाँ हिचे?
My lord, देखो बड़बांकी की ग्रामर
हाँ.
नयागढ़ रु गुटे लोक गला बड़बांकी बलांगीर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से जने आदिवासी लोकंकर घर साइड रे मागी करी घर बनाला और से 137 बाय 33 बोलिकरी गुटे 8 प्लॉट टे किनी देला जेतेले अंगनवाड़ी चाकरी बाहरला से जगिर रेसिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट टे बाहर करी आनले होम स्टेट लैंड चेंज करी एंड दैट प्लॉट माय लॉर्ड not coming under the Anganwadi area. I am the proper resident of that Anganwadi center, but I divide.
Is it suppose a person goes somewhere and purchases a land in a village, can you say that he is not a resident?
Yes, I agree. But
this is jingoism.
Yes, madam.
You know what is jingoism?
But that
what is jingoism?
Well,
what is jingoism? I said this is jingoism. What is said is a jingoism.
One place to another place, the movement.
Area filling the doctor. Area,
I am not feeling.
Yeah, this is jingoism.
No matter.
He came from this area, Asla, Basla, Kardala, Padagala. These are all.
Yes.
Person. He can, if he can purchase, he can purchase.
ठीक. Kill se purchase land.
Jingoism argument has no force in law.
Man. But se purchase area ta Anganwadi within the center area.
That you can say.
Ki ghara bhi nahi.
So that area is not coming under the Anganwadi center.
Man.
Right. So,
this is only one point.
Okay. What is the answer to this point?
Let kindly see my counter.
Tell me. मैं सुनला पर देखे मैं आगे सुने.
My lord, the opposite party, private opposite party who has been selected has produced all the relevant documents like voter identity card.
This man did this produce?
No. She has got more mark, my lord.
Who?
The opposite party number 6.
No, mark is not a matter, man.
It is a matter.
As for Anganwadi guideline.
Sir, marks तुम आगे देखें. जौने लोगों see. Anganwadi guidelines is if he has a certificate of residence of that area and he has more marks, he should get.
Se area ro no hai mailo.
How do you know?
Adhimar rakhle hele kon haba. Mu sei area ro look first preference mote diya jibo. Mu jodi seti nahi tahile next gaଁ ro onne center ro preference diya jibo. Tapare GP ro emte ita अंगनवाड़ी टे छोड़
but सुनो दो but मार्ग अधिक थी नहीं
हाँ माय लॉर्ड मुक बहुत अंगनवाड़ी केस करी जी मार्ग अधिक ई नॉट ए मैटर फर्स्ट रेसिडेंट
मैं एबे ଗୋଟେ जजमेंट काली दोषी जजमेंट एई सिमिलर केस रे मार्क से अधिक थियो ताकू दिया जिवो नॉट
सेटा गाइडलाइन को ये
गाइडलाइन था जा बटरे
हसैया हेले
जने लोक मार्क अधिक पाइथिबा जस्ट बिकॉज़ सही गार लोक जस्ट बिकॉज़ गोटे सेंटर रे ताकू दिया माने तो और काई दिया जिवो
यस माय लॉर्ड इटा हेला मेनली अपलिफ्ट करवार लागि इटा अंगनवाड़ी गुटे छोट चाकरी दे छुआ मान को से नियर एरिया को अग्राधिकार दिया यो
फिर केस काला को
मतलब
केस काला को सुना छुट्टी आए यू हैव कम हियर फॉर टू लॉजिक केस
गुटे एरिया रे विलेज एरिया मान को अपलिफ्ट करवाले लोगों को छुआ मान को एजुकेशन रे नियर एरिया लोगों को चाकरी दिले
also nutritional support system
also government guideline man
to have a
nutritional support government guideline I submit before your honor.
So you are for the selected candidate.
I am continuing since 2014
The only ground of challenge is non-submission of voter identity card. That is not a condition.
No, but we
Any other
belong
also.
to that area,
Yes,
service area.
No, that area. He gave the findings of the ADM, appellate authority. You should see the appellate authority କହିଦେଲେ ହବା. Your lordship, my lord. Your lordship, may kindly direct only one thing, my lord. Direct to authority to find out the resident of the opposite party number.
There is a residential certificate is also issued.
और residence certificate तो मिलवा गया. जमी टिके रहले residence certificate मिलवा एरा सादा कोता है. तो my lord मोर गुटे प्रेयर खाली जदि opposite party number 8 रो ना रे पट्टा पर्चा थाई गिरी से अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर तार घर अच्छे मो हारी गले डिसमिस कर दे. रिपोर्ट खाली रिपोर्ट मागी दिले चाहे रिपोर्ट मागी करी देखन दो से नाही सेंटर
अंगनवाड़ी रे कोड लिखा है जे पट्टा पर्चा है कि तार घरडा
दैट इज रेसिडेंस
रेंटेड हेले भी हेई पारी
अंगनवाड़ी गाइडलाइन रे लिखा है
गाइडलाइन रेंटेड लिखिनी मुझे तो गुटी जगह 10 वर्ष मो पावर पैसा आते नहीं अरे रुहतु आ लैंडलेस लोग आ किसी चाकरी पे भी नहीं मो जगह नहीं
लैंडलेस के तो पूरा सपोर्ट है यहाँ जहाँ लैंडलेस था कि पहला चाकरी दबार का था.
Now we came to the point.
Man.
Anyway.
The opposite party number.
Where is the order?
My lord.
Order kahin?
My lord, the opposite party has produced the ROR
Annex 6
of his father-in-law, of her father-in-law.
ठीक है. Logo. The writ petition filed by the.
May just. This one. Also kindly come to the advertisement. That Annex 1 page 12. These are the qualification. प्राथमिक संपर्क केंद्र सर्वे अंतर्भुक्त. I know. He has not challenged my residence. He has only some allegation. Challenge resident challenge एठी करिवो. Sub collector पर
Just forget it.
My lord, मोर जिनिस खाली
कहंतु pursuant to an advertisement dated 6/9/2014, the petitioner and OP number 8 have submitted their and other candidates submitted their application, and the selection process was conducted, and the OP number 8 was found to be suitable.
Since he is having highest mark than others.
Since he has secured the highest mark
among all the candidates. Even if she is not resident.
Among other eligible candidates. Full stop. Learned concept for the petitioner submits that the opposite party number 8 does not have a valid residential.
Resident of.
She is not a resident of the.
Bodabanki A Anganwadi Center. Bodabanki A Anganwadi Center.
A Anganwadi Center. Full stop. Learned concept for the petitioner further submits that the petitioner doesn't have a voter I card of that.
Voter I card and khata number 13733 is not coming under the said Anganwadi area.
Voter I card, and he further submits that khata number
137/33.
137/33 is not coming under
this said Anganwadi
area. Said Anganwadi area. Therefore, you approach the appeal before the appellate authority.
Without filing after appeal, it's not disposed of directing the
in view of in such view of the matter, the petitioner approached the additional district magistrate Balangir and the said appellate authority heard both the parties and passed a reasoned order stating that the stating that the contention of the stating that stating that the
last part of the order detail.
The CDPO Turekala has followed all the norms and guidelines of 2007 2010 of the government and issued by the Women and Child Development Department, Odisha, and engaged, your name is?
OP number 8, my lord. Suvaita Nanda.
Engage OP number 8 as Anganwadi worker for the said Anganwadi center, Barabanki A.
Since 2014.
Since she has secured highest mark amongst all the eligible candidates. On the other hand, the claim of Srimati Tapaswini Mahananda
Yes.
slash the present petitioner slash the present petitioner is not tenable in the eye of law as the residence certificate issued by the Tahsildar Kantavanji in favor of Srimati OP number 8 has not yet been cancelled by anybody or by any appropriate court of law. The name of
Suvaita Nanda, OP number 8.
Jasavanta Mahapatra is also enlisted in survey number. Who is this Jasavanti Mahapatra? Our candidate. Okay.
No. Jaswati Mahapatra is the husband of the opposite party number.
The name of Jasavanta Mahapatra.
Yes.
Who is the husband of the opposite party number 8, whose name has been enlisted in the survey register made by the Anganwadi worker in the year
Which is wrong?
2011. Who
More
is the
allegation
husband of
wrong.
Srimati Nanda. Hence, the appeal is the claim of the petitioner regarding the falsified residential claim by the opposite party number 8 is misplaced. Accordingly, this court doesn't find any substantial merit in the argument of the petitioner to
My lord, more married actually. More actually पाइबा कथा. More resident रो माने more पाइबा.
I would बोल कैसे देखो है ना?
ना my lord ये
the petitioner is continuing as Anganwadi worker since
OP number 8. Since 2014.
As Anganwadi worker since
2014.
And she is still continuing.
Yes, sir.
Being the most meritorious.
Being the meritorious candidate.
My lord.
Hence, the order passed by the appellate authority doesn't suffer from any kind of infirmity. Accordingly, dismissed. Thank you.
My lord.
This is the approach, sir. This is the approach. You should smile always. Dismissal is smile. Tomorrow you may get another.
Yes.
Good. That's good.
My lord.
Next.
Anganwadi guideline which is resident of just say him baba.
Husband पर से जगह रहो. Husband अटा हवा नहीं.
Husband has just resident area रे नैनो जे.
ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛେ resident area से गाँ जाकर जेने ଥିଲେ ହେବା କଥା.
गुटे word my lord.
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏବେ pass.
Violate the Anganwadi guideline.
I have passed an order to the Secretary Women and Child Development. He don't discriminate. Same villager लोगों को गुटे this part, that part. Why are you discriminating? Allow everybody. जी meritorious से पाऊ. गुटे part को जीवा से काम करके आसीबो कोन टाइम.
से लाइट थले मु गले. नहले जहाँ guideline को मु चाकरी मु पाइबा କଥା.
मु ऐसा guideline ने छुटिया मुटिया देखिया कथा ना meritorious पिला पाइबा कथा. जे भी हो. छुटिया guideline मार्क को मानथे मार्क अधिक से guideline चलो ठीक है. मार्क रे कम पाइछ.
अरे ठीक नहीं है लोग.
ठीक नहीं है. अच्छी
सुप्रीम कोर्ट रिट अपील करो.
तिलक मार्क.
Oh,
तिलक मार्क.
All right.
Okay, good. Next.
Item 44.
44.
Item 44, Lordship, I am through virtual mode, Lordship. A week time, Lordship, I am unable to contact the petitioner. On 28/7, government has filed a counter.
So, you want time or you want to get dismissal?
On the last
1 week time, Lordship, I am unable to contact. If will
on the
not
last
come,
occasion, your lordship has directed the petitioner to file a fresh notice, my lord.
So, okay, land council for the petitioner 6 1 week time to. It's the matter on 27. Yes. Next.
Okay.
Next 40.
45.
45.
The petitioner is initially appended as an Anganwadi worker. Subsequently, the opposite party number 3 has filed a petition before this honorable court. Where the matters were written and liberty given to the opposite party 3 to approach for the opposite party number 1 to file an appeal file up कला परे से मत न सुनी कि मो ऑर्डर टा सेटा सेट कर देई ताको अपॉइंटमेंट देले मो अपॉइंटमेंट
बुझिले आपण कोन कहले ऑपोजिट पार्टी 3 2 4 5
ना मु इनिशियली
आपण पूरा आउथरे कोन फ्रेश
मु इनिशियली
बिना ऑपोजिट पार्टी वार्ड लगे कोन काहा को की
से मु इनिशियल अपॉइंटेड हेतले अंगनवाड़ी
आपण सिलेक्शन हेतिले
आज्ञा मु अपन पाइथिले आनसर सी
प्रॉब्लम कोन है
तापर सी सुट अपोजिट बैंड 3 जे आउ जन कैंडिडेट जे हारिथिला जे सिलेक्शन हे नथला
से अपील को गला
से ना रीट रे विड्रॉ करके कोर्ट लिबर्टी देले
आज्ञा से रीट रे गला छाड़न तो किछि हेनी अपील को गला कोन तू
हां
से पटे किछि त हेनी
ना नेठी आसीला रीट आसीला
काहे के आइला रीट मूर्खा बळे आसीला रीट को से कहै मूर्खा काम करते मु आउथरे एप्रिशिएट करछन
से अपील फाइल कला
जा त अपील पर जीवो एठी की पळे आसी एठू गला 200 से क्लाइंट को हैरान कर दिया माने हां गलो
से आस्तला एठी आसी गला
काहे के आसीबो एठी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपील काहे जीवनी
से अपील कोर्ट डायरेक्शन देला पर अपील एठी आस्तला
सब एठी के आसीबे एठी गुडे राउंड आपण मना भी करंतिनी आपण मना भी करंतिनी आज्ञा सेठी के जा बोले कहंतिनी आपण
मो कैंडिडेट नो से अलग अलग
जे भी हला जे भी वकील हो
तापर सेठी से
भला एडवाइस दियंतु कम से कम
आज्ञा से अपील फाइल गला मत न सुनी कि मो अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर कैंसिल कर देले को ताको अपॉइंटमेंट दे मो काहे कि ऑन द ग्राउंड दैट यू हैव नॉट आई एम नॉट कमिंग अंडर द residential area for Jharapad agreement center
area residential area is big issue
सेटा
आपण केबे फाइल करबे
My lord, kindly see the impugned order at page 7.
सुनो तो ये
I think your lordship has fixed it to an
अच्छा नहीं अपील रे ये हमको सुना ही
my lord, that's what I'm
page
impressing you.
पेज कहते
Page 7. The first paragraph. The case record is put up today. The counsel of the appellant and the GP Jagat Singhpur on behalf of the state, respondent number 1 were present and heard.
आपण जीवन जी के कोन करियो
See,
मत नोटिस मत के नोटिस केस लो कॉल पकड़ रेकॉर्ड मत नोटिस करना थी नोटिस कोन
नोटिस आपण थिला काउंसिल पर सेठी थिला
ना ना
आपण को वकील सेठी थिला आपण नोटिस अकाउंट करंती
ना ना से
no, the private respondent number 2.
your counsel was present
आमे होची रेस्पोंडेंट 2 मु नथिल सिटी आज्ञा मोर ऑप्शन लिखा है
प्राइवेट रेस्टोरेंट 2 अच्छा प्राइवेट रेस्टोरेंट 2
हां आज्ञा मु
Was absent, my lord.
ऑप्शन लिखा मत नोटिस करना थी केम जानि
नोटिस से जानियो
आज्ञा
My lord, समस्त नोटिस है ताको नोटिस I will call for the record then.
और रेकॉर्ड कॉल लेट काउंटर भी फाइल
Your lordship may direct record to
the petitioner to the London state to find out from the additional district the office of the additional district magistrate Jagat Singhpur regarding the appearance of the respondent number is the present petitioner in the
Anganwadi appeal case number.
Anganwadi appeal case number 1 of 2016. Next date.
निमिंट काउंटर फाइल का
your lordship may direct to produce the appeal record. That will be
and the said magistrate, the ADM Jagat Singhpur is directed to produce the Anganwadi appeal case, the entire record of Anganwadi case number 1 of 2016. ठीक है?
before the next.
Let's fix.
Your lordship has fixed it to?
Fixed 20. 12 बस. 12 September.
मो कोर से रेसिडेंशियल ग्राउंड काटती
आसंतु सर आर्गुमेंट रखितांतु जे आसिले देखिबनी हां कोड पड़िया हम अछु नेक्स्ट
46
last that was the counter.
My lord, in this case I need
Counter
2 more weeks time to file the counter.
Okay, 10 days time is granted to file the counter. List the matter on 11 next
47
This case your lordship already had the matter last occasion. I am directed me to file the written note of submission. I am filing.
No, already I have filed the.
You have filed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next 49
48
State has also filed the written notes of submission.
48
47 मिला.
48 अच्छा ठीक है और 48
May I please, your lordship. Sir, here the state has filed the counter and we have also filed the rejoinder copy serving upon the other side and the last argument.
You got the rejoinder?
Regarding matter is promotion to the post of ICDS supervisor from the post of Anganwadi worker.
What is the problem?
Problem is without accepting my candidatureship, which continuing as an Anganwadi worker, and more completed more than 6 years in the category of SCBC.
Why you have not?
My lord, on the merit list, the petitioner found place, the total post available were 13 million. In the merit list, the petitioner found place at 33. What the petitioner has submitted, that he, on the provisional merit list, he found place at serial number 25. And he, being the SCBC candidate, his position is serial number 7.
But why you are saying that you are not allowed? You have been allowed.
Allowed.
But you have not secured the mark.
Fact remains in the provisional gradation list.
Hmm.
In the same category and same
Provisional
status
gradation,
SCB.
see, provisional doesn't mean that's the final.
No, that is not final. I am
Ah,
conscious.
fine.
But the person below me who has been placed, same qualification, same standard, and so far the appointment seniority is concerned, I am senior to them. All of a sudden, when the final list was prepared, they have been converted to your category, but I remain in SCBC category. On what basis they are prepared, that is not known to anybody. Annexure 4 for a moment, Milan, at page 19. I've given that comparative statement.
Earlier he was SCBC, then he was converted to your.
And the person that are junior to me,
He was SCBC and he was converted to your.
As they have not produced the certificate, that's why they have treated as the unregistered certificate.
manipulation.
Your category, you have more number of posts.
My lord,
You have more number of posts in your category.
your category.
Three posts, sir.
5
Three to
posts.
5 posts.
5 posts.
So what made you to convert to the category?
Because they could not able to produce the caste certificate, my lord.
You should have rejected. Rejected should have. Why have you converted them to be?
Once
If a person-
somebody is.
If a person claiming throughout SCBC, suddenly you will make it very bad.
Exactly.
You are. But just because caste certificate could not be produced, you should have thrown it.
And 3 persons, those are petty juniors to me, even if in senior. So far the rule is concerned 8A.
Why you have ignored him? For the smaller, in a just.
But even if
Then on
assume-
what basis you have chosen the other people?
my lord, let us assume the other peoples are in the merit list of the SCBC. Then also the petitioner is not eligible to get the
So
promotion.
why on what basis you are giving them the marks?
Then also the
What basis you are giving the marks?
marks.
You must have, for DPC, you must give.
Let them demonstrate, my lord, annexure A by 2 they have.
What basis you have given marks to the entire case record?
Okay. Let them demonstrate in what way I am inferior to all these candidates.
The state to obtain the entire case record before this court on 13th September.
Yes.
Entire case record on.
Case record means so far as related to the promotion of the
Oh,
petitioner.
good.
No, in respect of the candidate, exactly, promotion in relate.
With respect to the promotion.
Exactly, for the year 2020.
Let's see. कौन कर सकते अपन कितना घबरा के-
Anganwadi worker to ICDS project. It's a political gimmick.
Let's see.
The person junior to me.
कौन की ये जो अंगनवाड़ी रा कौन है ये जो तुम
जाकर।
रेसिडेंशियल नाटक हो जी कौन
Obviously.
राम जाने नहीं कौन है
This is not actually, this is not a promotion, my lord.
Sir.
My lord, this is not a promotion. This is a selection, my lord.
I know selection, but selection पे basis था ना.
Exactly.
There is
And in the proceeding also nowhere they have whispered a single
there is
word.
saying ना there is a method to the madness also. पागलपन का भी एक हद होता है.
वो तो सही है.
आपका पागलपन का कोई हद नहीं है. Next.
Your lordship- your lordship is fixing any date?
Let it come. 12. 49.
49 is my lordship. In fact, lordship, they have not filed counter in this
My lord, in
case.
this case, we need
File counter within 10 days.
But
2 weeks time.
अरे 2 weeks नहीं भाई.
2 weeks time.
You are
For
who
the
are
private opposite party number 6, your lordship, I also need some time to file my counter.
There's only been a notice has been issued in the.
Okay, both of you file the counter within 10 days. List the matter.
small prayer lordship.
14th, yes.
Small prayer lordship. Would I have filed a miscase? In fact, lordship given protection, no coercive action. Only what I prayed in my miscase, I prayed lordship 13043. Can it be stayed lordship that order of input should be paid so that
No coercive action.
no courtship, it is not helping me, lordship, any other.
Then what is the what kind of stay you want?
Well, so stay of Annex 7, lordship, pursuant to the proceeding, he has given a order of disengagement at Annex 7. Page 42.
So you are still continuing, na?
No, your lordship, I am continuing.
They're not allowing me, lordship, that's it. No course of action. They have taken it otherwise. Because no
ତ
course of
ତାହେଲେ
action.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ କଣ ଫାଇଦା ଅଛି? କିଛି ଫାଇଦା ନାହିଁ।
At least I have
ନାଇଁ ସେ ତାକୁ ବେନିଫିଟ ମିଳିବ।
stay କରିଦେଲେ ଏଇଟା no course ରେ ସେ benefit ନଉଛନ୍ତି।
ଷ୍ଟେ କଲେ ବି ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍
କଲେ
କୋ ଦେଲେ ସେ
she will be
ଚାଲିବ। ସେ ଅଛି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ନା ଜଣେ
ମୋ ପରେ ସେ
status को भी कंटिन्यू टिल द नेक्स्ट खत्म स्टेटस को टू कंटिन्यू
status को तो
तो एमती भी आपण पाइबेनी एमती पाइबेनी ही इज कंटिन्यूइंग स्टेटस को टू कंटिन्यू टिल द नेक्स्ट डेट हैला
business no course
नो
status को
you are inviting trouble for yourself
lordship that is there lordship but
next 50 किसी ने लिखी है let's see
your lordship
finally
your lordship में fix a date
13 14 के बाद दे दिया 14 दे दिया 15 दे दिया 14 बोल देगा नहीं 15 दे दिया 50
15 September
50 টা urgent ହିଁ
15 September ଅଛି
yes
शुक्रवार
शुक्रवार
ତା ପର week को
Monday हो 9 तारीख
हो 18 next
item 51
PC Chinchani not there
not there not there
this is the matter on 27 52
52
private opposite party number 6 is not appearing since calling of 3 times.
who is the for the present petition
I am the petitioner man.
private अभी नहीं है ऐसे नहीं
Again, tinta date भी absent. Case is very simple, my lord. I am saying the fact is short. The petitioner, a advertisement was published in the year 2010, my lord, for 2 posts, Anganwadi helper and Anganwadi worker. I was applied for Anganwadi helper, and 3 other persons applied for Anganwadi worker. Anganwadi worker post, the center was not eligible for appointment of Anganwadi worker. Then that post was kept in abeyance. But
you are for
I am for the petitioner.
no petitioner for Anganwadi
I am applied for Anganwadi helper, and I was selected as the eligible candidate, and I am serving on that center since today.
since which day
Since 2010, 10 to
Still
2021.
okay next
In 2021, I was appointed as Anganwadi worker. That during 2021, that center was became eligible to appointment of Anganwadi worker. For that reason, I was appointed as Anganwadi worker. After working for some days, the opposite party number 6, who was the applicant in the year 2010 advertisement, she filed an appeal before the
after 10 years
2010 advertisement को से challenge कला 2021 रे जे सेतेबेले मु अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर पे अप्लाई करिथिली बट सेतेबेले ए जे हेल्पर जे प्रमोशन पाइची सी इज गेटिंग एलिजिबल इन द ईयर 2018 हेल्प वर्कर हा पे कोन क्राइटेरिया ना 3 वर्ष 5 वर्ष र थिबो अंगनवाड़ी हेल्पर एक्सपीरियंस और 10
now what is the issue
मते आगे बाहर कर देले अपील ले
अपील ऑर्डर काढ दवा चलो उड़े दवा where is the appeal order
अंगनवाड़ी अपील 1923 ऑर्डर हो 24 annex 4 माइल पेज 24
annex 4
annex sorry my lord annex 5
order আছে না দেখো the Anganwadi appeal sorry the petitioner was selected
may I submit
yes
may I submit my lord that helper has been duly served with the notice during the appeal, my lord. She has never appeared before the appellate authority.
But after that, I have filed for set aside within the time. But during my pending of my application, this order was passed by the additional district magistrate, my lord. But the appointment during pending of
who has approached this? The Mamta Rautra approach.
Yes, OP6 approach as appeal.
Mitarani.
My lord.
So that was filed in 2021 after selection of 23. एती बाढ़ होनी एते वर्ष परे
2010 एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे अपॉइंटमेंट के
21 रे से फाइल करछि अपील केंति एला करछि टाइम केते अछि अपील फाइल करे टाइम केते
30 days man
30 days so how can you file in the 2021
no my lord you lordship I make clear 2010 रे एडवर्टाइज बाहर थिला सेस अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर पोस्ट कैप्टन एडवांस थिला तो 2021 रे मते अंगनवाड़ी हेल्पर और अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर कर दिया गला ସିଏ କହିବା କଥା ଯେ ଯେହେତୁ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ୱାର୍କର
Cause of action ଟା ଏବେ
ଏବେ
ହଉଛି।
ବାହାରିଲା ତେଣୁ ମତେ ସେଇ 2010 ଅନୁସାରେ ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଲିଜିବଲ ଥିଲେ ମତେ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଆଯାଉ।
କାଇଁ ଛାଡ଼ non APS for the opposite party number କେତେ 6 the petitioner herein was selected as Anganwadi helper
My lord.
pursuant to the advertisement number 112
In the year
dated
2010.
2/23/2010 issued by the CDPO Kanas. Also, the petitioner along with two other applicants having the same qualification had also applied for this post of Anganwadi worker. in
No,
the-
my lord. That time I have not applied for the post of Anganwadi worker. I have applied for Anganwadi helper only. Anganwadi worker post of captain advance rahigala.
Okay, the petitioner had applied for the Anganwadi helper. So ଆପଣ captain advance ରହିଗଲା ମାନେ?
Because my lord, due to
That
shortage
center-
of population.
Yes. Center is not
Center
eligible.
ହେଇନି.
Center
Okay,
ହେଇନି.
okay. Buଝିଗଲି. However, the petitioner was appointed as Anganwadi helper due to the shortage of due to the non-fulfillment of the criteria for setting up of the Anganwadi center.
ଦିଟା ଯାକ ବାହାରିଥିଲା ଆଗ ୱାର୍କର ବି ବାହାରିଥିଲା ହେଲ୍ପର ବି ବାହାରିଥିଲା ୱାର୍କର ଟା କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ ଆଡଭାନ୍ସ ରହିଲା ହେଲ୍ପର ଟା ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅନୁସାରେ
ଆରେ କାଗଜ ଲେଖି ଦେବା ଭାଇ ଏତେ ମୁଁ ପାରିବି
My lord.
give me
will
a
be-
short note.
My lord, may I pray? Let the petitioner be directed to file a fresh notice.
ନା ମୁଁ order pass କରିବି ସିଧା କିଛି
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ବି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
ଲେଖା ଲେଖି ଦିଆ the appellant the petitioner the said since the Anganwadi center was not eligible for becoming a
For appointment of Anganwadi worker.
Anganwadi worker, the post Anganwadi worker
Was kept in advance since
advance
2010.
since 2010, and the petitioner continued to
As a Anganwadi helper.
got selected as Anganwadi helper and continued there as Anganwadi helper till
Till 2021.
2021, when the said center became eligible for the post of for appointing the post of Anganwadi
Worker in 2021.
in 2021. The petitioner was
Appointed as
the petitioner was appointed
as Anganwadi worker by the opposite party number 4 and 5.
Huh?
By the opposite party number 4.
by the opposite party number 4.
And continuing as
At this juncture, the opposite party number 4,
6.
sorry 6, Mamta Rautra,
Yes.
got agreed by the appointment of the present petitioner and filed an appeal before the what?
ADM. OP number 5.
ADM OP
OP
number
number 4.
5. Full stop. After hearing the parties, you have also participated there in the hearing?
No,
On the first page, I
no
am
notice has been issued, but he has not appeared.
The petitioner in the said appeal, the petitioner was not issued any notice.
No, notice has been issued.
Issued expertise.
Sorry. Okay, the petitioner, though the petitioner was issued notice, there was an ex parte order with the direction that, with the observation that the selection committee has not followed the appropriate procedure while appointing the respondent number 3 as AWW in Siripur AWC, and hence is held to be illegal. In view of the above, the selection of the respondent number 3 AWW in Siripur AWC is hereby it was set aside, and the appeal was allowed.
My lord, the ground is
paper
that,
of the number 6.
my lord will appreciate that with the there was a
So there was no selection process.
my lord, there was an advertisement for the Anganwadi worker.
Sir,
My lord.
there was no selection.
Selection process and opposite party number 6 selected.
How? When? How and when?
That is
That's
the
the
case.
question. How and when?
No, don't ask me. I'm
No,
submitting.
I'm saying that.
Opposite number 6 selected, was there any?
My lord, that is my counter.
Recruitment.
Ah.
Where is the document? Where is the document, sir?
ସିଏ କହିବା କଥା ମୁଁ 10 ରେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲି ଯୋଉ 3 ଜଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲୁ 2 ଜଣ ସେମାନେ ଜଣେ ଅନ୍ୟଠି ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଗଲା ଜଣେ ୱିଡ୍ର କରିଦେଲା ତେଣୁ ମତେ ଦିଆଯାଉ
ଜଣେ ରହିଲେ।
ଆପଣ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଆଉ ଥରେ କଲେ କି?
आउ थरे सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस हेची सेतेबेले
केतेबेले
at the year 2010 my lord
about 2010 सिलेक्शन हेकरी एवेंस थिला
अबेंस थिला जेहेतु
दा कैंसिल आउ थरे फ्रेश कर जा एते कथा कोड
yes ma'am.
the best thing is cancel and go to the fresh thing. Okay. Since land council state submits that since the selection for the Anganwadi worker was complete in 2010 and the and the opposite partner 6 was selected in that
Pardon.
selected in that 2010
2010
selected by virtue of 2010
10
advertisement.
My lord, Shironasti Sri Brother, so center eligible no set is selection hella kemti again. Where the center is not eligible for upper Anganwadi worker, how they are selecting?
You are also not selected.
I am not applying for the same. I am applying for
the second year केंदी हेगले आपण
2000 star
21 रे आपण केंदी हेले
my lord, I am saying that process selection procedure is
कोड प्रोसीजर केई तो अप्लाई करना
annexer 7 my lord.
केई तो अप्लाई करना
Annexer 4 my lord. My lord,
केई तो अप्लाई करना
no my lord.
you are 4 कोन
They have my lord, kindly have a glance to page 40 one minute, my lord. Kindly look at page 46 my lord. चयन कमिटी द्वारा अंगनवाड़ी कर्मी भाव में पदोन्नति करा जाइथिला
पदोन्नति अछि कि सिस्टम
नहीं तो that wrong was committed by whom my lord?
Then easily wrong committed every side to total cancel press halla
fresh selection for this post
and land council petitioner submit land council petitioner further submits that since there was no post, how could the post of Anganwadi worker was how could the selection process for Anganwadi worker was conducted and the OP number 2 sorry
OP number 6
was selected in the year 2010
no,
and kept,
he has been selected in the year 2022 my lord
20 came the
because those
based on that 2010
advertisement
so then 2020 on the basis of the advertisement 2010
2022
the petition number OP number 6 has been selected on the basis of the advertisement floated in 2010 after 12 years the petition the OP number 6 was selected on the basis of an advertisement published in 2010. The entire procedure seems to be vicious and the who is running CDPO? Who is running?
Order to pass करছে sub collector my lord.
है ना selection टा की करছে?
Selection head sub collector selection.
The entire the selection procedure the selection procedure is illegal, not illegal, irregular also. In view of second, even the promotion of the present petitioner to the post of Anganwadi worker for this time the Anganwadi Center Association is also not in accordance with law. In view of the above rival submission of the parties, this court is of the view that this the Anganwadi Center so requires a fresh fresh advertisement and the candidates should and accordingly the selection process be completed within a period of 3 months. 3 months without completed.
Man, I am continuing now. I am continuing on helper.
Till the new selection process is over. The petitioner shall continue in the said Anganwadi Center as Anganwadi worker.
I am working now. I am continuing on helper. मतलब काढ़ी दीजिए पर opposite party cease to work.
Helper देखिए.
এবং ওয়ার্কার को ডিসমিস করা যাবে क्या जो अंगन वर्कर जे पाइछि অপোজিট পার্টি 6
सब गला परे आज से गला आपण भी जिबे
আমি হেল্পর আপয়েন্টমেন্ট পাইଛୁ আমি আমি अंगन वर्कर हेल्पर को पुणी आसीछु आउ हम पूर्व पोस्ट को आमे प्रमोशन पाई जाइतिलु आज्ञा
Let there is a
एबे वर्कर की अछि
वर्कर 6 अछि
opposition
OP6
number 6. Let her continue,
Let
my lord.
both
no why
My lord, let both the both the
I am
continue.
continuing from eligibility criteria. I am not appointed.
then nobody will continue. It will remain vacant in 1 month. it
My
will
lord,
come.
kindly see, my lord,
Nothing.
please. My lord, 1 second. My lord, kindly have a glance.
You will continue, okay. Then this you will continue. No,
My lord,
okay. This is interim management.
My lord, 1 second. My lord, 1 second. Kindly clarify.
Otherwise, small children will be. In,
1 second. 1 second. It's okay. If your lordship will say right, I am wrong. My lord, अंगनवाड़ी हेल्पर वर्कर दीटा को पोस्ट बाहरला मु हेल्पर
नो भाई केते तरह से कथा से रिपीटेशन डोंट यू थिंक आई डोंट हैव द
तो ए ऑर्डर मु एक वर्कर अपॉइंटमेंट है कि मते हेल्पर कर देले याकू वर्कर कर
हला हर वर्कर अछि से ना एबे चालू छी से दुई सिस्टम चालित हो बहुत लगा टिल दैट टाइम द ओपी नंबर 6 will continue to be the Anganwadi worker and the present petitioner shall continue as Anganwadi helper. Hala. Next selection process and after the selection process over the new selectee shall take charge. Hala. Next
53.
53.
Let's see. Let's see. Today I have received the counter. Let's see. Kindly
Okay.
6
October साढ़े दे दे फाइल से that next October
Your lordship in item number 52 a free copy.
मोदरा जो OPSC वाला भी इतने झगड़ा लगा कि जो अंगनवाड़ी में
I just pray for a free copy.